हाँ तो संजीत you'll join later. हाँ
You continue.
अच्छा ठीक.
Ignore
ओके मतलब आप कभी भी आ जाओगे किसी भी समय. ठीक
ignore me,
ओके.
ignore me.
He's like mad in
मेरे बस इतना बता दे ऑडियो लीक तो नहीं हो रहा ना मेरे लैपटॉप से, that's all.
नहीं अभी
he's
तक तो
like
नहीं हो रहा बिल्कुल
he's
भी.
like mad in Inception. कभी-कभी आ जाता है.
हाँ.
Subconscious projection.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
looming large.
Looming large.
Yes. Okay. Away from Christopher Nolan काफी भेजा फ्राई हो चुका है पास्ट एक दो हफ्तों में. आई थिंक ज्यादा ही वो हो गया है
Yeah.
ओवरलोड. बट एनीवेज hello welcome to today's podcast. This is episode number 5 or 6 which has been due for at least a year and a half. We planned since the last time we had recorded, so maybe even more than a year and a half. But anyways, we are finally recording. It will finally get released, and we finally have Sanket back on our channel. Or channel. Why did I say channel? On our podcast.
Yeah.
तो हमारा
संकेत
है
मिस्ट्री
आपका तो
संकेत मिस्ट्री
podcast
मतलब YouTube चैनल है भाई.
Yes,
संकेत
yes.
सिनेफाइल संकेत और क्या कर सकते हैं.
So yes, this episode has been initiated by Sanket only. He suggested us this topic to discuss because I think he's really into this particular type of film. So we've selected 2 films from Hollywood in the 50s and 60s, which are Hollywood epics.
60s ही है.
हाँ, technically, yeah, late 50s, late 50s, mid 60s.
Mid
Both of these
60s.
are, both of these are Hollywood epics, historical epics, to put it more correctly. And they sort of are a genre of film which sort of became popular during the 50s. Correct me, Amartya, if I'm wrong, right? Because I'm going off my brief knowledge here. So 50s they became popular, I know, because television had sort of come into the foray at that point in time.
That is
And a
the
lot
basic
of
point. That
yes.
is the basic thing actually.
Yeah. So the idea was to, sorry, what were you saying?
No, the idea is simple. Producer लोगों को देखा कि टेलीविजन आ रहा है. कैसे we need money, we need people coming to the theaters. Turnover became more important than the actual runtime.
Yeah.
So their basic concept was we will earn more money from the concession. So to earn more money, we need people to be inside the cinema hall for as long as possible.
Yeah, it was also direct, like whatever. This is what TV can't do, so we will do this.
This is what TV can't do.
Or iski wajah se they also publicized the whole Panavision and VistaVision, sort of all that stuff, so that the idea is that the wider the screen, it's different from the TV, so you can come and watch these films. And
for all the people who are listening, yeah, the world is circular. Everything happens always and always because अभी भी वही चल रहा है.
हाँ अभी नोलन भाई साहब का रेटरिक है वो. So yes,
because human beings are predictable.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसके बारे में.
So that's the sort of, I think, context to why these sort of films became popular. But I think one of the interesting things I was reading up a little bit on, and then we'll go directly into the two films, was that 50s and 60s में a lot of the studio system was also collapsing. Censorship and everything was sort of going down.
I think one of the bigger reasons was वो एक law pass हुआ था ना 1948 या 50s में जिसमें वो distribution
un-American वाला या नहीं. अच्छा नहीं, दूसरा वाला you're saying. Okay.
The दूसरा which actually made them distribution became tougher.
Yes. They broke up the vertical integration system of Hollywood. So regardless, that's the idea, is that studios became more independent, like studio mentality, just like, you have to follow these certain ideas, traditional ideas that have been implanted, that sort of got slightly diffused, but you kind of have this push and pull between, I think, still, and you'll see a little bit in these films, of adhering to tradition, like जो पुरानी चीजें सबको अच्छी लगती हैं और वो सब, and then there's also a pull towards going into something more new and radical. And I think both the films we're going to talk about sort of have a mix of them in some senses, though I think probably we are a little bit towards traditional. So the first film we are going to talk about, which I have seen 2 hours and 42 minutes out of 3 hours and 42 minutes of, is Ben-Hur.
This is where your search has brought you, Balthazar. gave me water and the hut to live. What has he done to merit this?
By
Well,
William Wyler, the director William Wyler, who's a German director, I think,
yes,
and
yes.
then popular for making a lot of films,
Lot
epics,
of lot of famous films actually. One of
lot
his
of
most famous film other than Ben-Hur is the Roman Holiday.
yeah.
Which
And the other one I've seen is actually The Best Years of Our Lives, which is also a really
Yes.
good film. So on World War II, and
On
which
World
I
War
think
II.
has echoes if you have to look through in Ben-Hur also contextually, but whatever.
I don't
Uh,
think it's more. No, chalo, you continue. मैं
हाँ हाँ
बताता
नहीं नहीं बस so I think the film itself is based on Louis Wallace's Ben-Hur: A Tale of Christ. It's already made in Hollywood in silent film in 1925.
1925. Yeah.
I think that film also did very well. So of course MGM wanted to remake it, and they decided to make it with Charles Heston, Stephen Boyd, Jack Hawkins, Hai Harirat, and I think so. Yeah, whoever's not familiar with the story, it is the story of Jesus Christ. That's it.
Wait. Hold on.
Yes.
So it is. I was laughing about this while watching this movie. This is the
Yeah.
movie which every Indian filmmaker wants to make an epic about. This is
Yes.
the movie they are trying to get at.
Yeah.
They will never get at it because they completely miss the point.
Yeah.
When you are making a religious quote unquote epic,
Yeah.
do not focus on the central person of that epic. Do
Mm.
not.
Matlab,
Always
Christ is
be-
not central in
Yeah,
in-
Christ
yes.
is not central. His ideas technically quote unquote are.
Yeah. Hmm.
If you're going to make a historical fiction, make a different character,
Yeah.
make it like that. Construct
Parable
his story
like,
and- yeah,
kind
yeah.
of like that.
Construct his story
Hmm.
kind of in that or
Yeah.
in that sense. And then try and input each and everything in the
Christ to be short, or what is it? The divine presence to be short.
the divine presence to be shot from Hail
My
Caesar.
Hail
Yeah.
Caesar reference will come because I love that movie. Anyways, Sanket, you start us on why did we select Ben-Hur? Why do you love Ben-Hur? And yeah, and then we'll go to Amartya, and then we'll go to briefly me, considering I still have an hour left to watch. Yeah.
नहीं जरूर एक्चुअली पहली बात बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ध्रुव और यार मतलब this show, this podcast is like it's 1 year in the making ऐसे
Yes,
सच में आपने
yeah.
बोला क्योंकि ये हम 1 साल से कोशिश कर रहे थे, प्लान कर रहे थे कि करने का, और फाइनली जाके आज हम बैठ पाए थे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
11 बजे रात में
11 बजे रात में जरूर क्योंकि देख ये एक जॉनर है और एक जॉनर है जो डार्क कॉमेडीज एंड पॉलिटिकल सटायर। सो वो एक ये 3 जॉनर्स है जो मेरे दिल के काफी करीब है। व्हाई हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन? बिकॉज हमें पता चलता है लाइक आई एम अ फैन ऑफ हिस्ट्री।
Yes.
कोई भी हिस्ट्री वाली जो अगर फिल्म्स पकड़ लो या हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन भी फिल्म्स या जॉनर लाइक पकड़ लो, कुछ भी मुझे उसमें बहुत वो पसंद आती है। क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें पहली बात तो हिस्ट्री पता चलती है एंड दिस इज ट्रू फॉर बोथ ऑफ द फिल्म्स। फर्स्ट वन इज Ben-Hur एंड द सेकंड वन इज डॉक्टर ज़िवागो। पहली बात अपना पता चलता है कि क्या चल रहा है यार हिस्ट्री में, कि व्हाट वाज द सेटिंग, हाउ वर द पीपल रिएक्टिंग, व्हाट वाज द मेंटालिटी ऑफ दैट पीरियड, पीपल इन दैट पीरियड।
बिल्कुल।
सो काफी अच्छे से दिखाया है Ben-Hur। और पहली बात तो मैंने ये फिल्म सबसे पहली बार जब देखी थी तो काफी आधे में ही देखी थी।
अच्छा।
इतने पूरे में नहीं देखी थी। सो आई वाज लाइक ओके चलो यार इसको पूरे खत्म तो करनी है। और तभी लैपटॉप पे देख रहा था मैं। सो आई वाज लाइक ओके चलो अभी बड़ा टीवी आ गया है। सो मतलब अभी हाल ही थोड़े महीने पहले आई लाइक टीवी पे मैंने यहाँ पे अपने मस्त अच्छा ब्लूरे प्रिंट मैंने लाइक डाउनलोड करके मैंने प्ले किया और मजा आ गया यार देखते हुए कि ये दिस फिल्म डिमांड्स अ बिग स्क्रीन एक्सपीरियंस।
ने भी बोला था सो यस बोलेगा फिर से, बट यस ओके बोलो।
यस एब्सोल्युटली ये डिमांड करता है क्योंकि वो जो लाइक द ट्रेडिशनल हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स जहाँ पे म्यूजिक बजता है, द म्यूजिक इज आल्सो अ वेरी इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म। जहाँ पे पहले आई थिंक शुरुआत में क्या आता है वो ओवरचर करेक्ट आता है। वैसे a typical traditional Hollywood style of film making, वैसे ओवरचर आता है और शुरुआत होती है, फिर स्टार्टिंग मिडिल एंड एंड वैसे पूरा होता है, और
इंटरमिशन भी है सर,
इंटरमिशन भी
अब तो
रहता है,
सिर्फ
correct?
बॉलीवुड में मिलता है वो आपको, और
नहीं,
बॉलीवुड और इंडियन फिल्म्स में, यस।
नो बट वो एक अच्छी मजे की बात रहती है कि वाह, ये
हम्म
ट्रेडिशनल हम देख रहे हैं, लाइक these kind of films what Hollywood is known for,
हम्म
वैसे। और एक चीज करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि डॉक्टर जिवागो आई वुडंट से हॉलीवुड फिल्म है,
अच्छा, ब्रिटिश
ब्रिटिश फिल्म है, करेक्ट,
ब्रिटिश, यस
एग्जैक्टली, ब्रिटिश डायरेक्टर
यस।
कार्लो पॉन्टी, कौन से देश के थे मुझे आइडिया
I think
नहीं है।
MGM का भी नाम था as a production
Okay.
company,
Okay.
from whatever I had read. So if
Okay.
अगर Sanjeet, you can research and you can tell me, since you're
Jivago, I
Jivago.
think is 3 countries co-production. I think.
अच्छा,
Yeah,
three,
Italy,
okay.
It's
Italy,
UK and
Okay, okay.
US.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
But
okay,
it's
got it.
primarily a British film in many senses because
अच्छा,
David
okay.
Lean himself.
David Lean,
maximum
okay,
cast, maximum cast.
It's how you see Dunkirk as a British film, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Technically.
हाँ,
Hmm.
okay,
It's
ठीक है,
करेक्ट
ठीक
करेक्ट,
है।
आपने एक्चुअली बरोबर बोला वैसे।
ठीक है,
सो वैसे,
perfect.
सो यस, सो बेन हर, कमिंग टू बेन हर, मैंने जब भी देखा, मैंने वो चैरिट सीन्स जो अमर्त्य को काफी पसंद आते हैं, मैंने वो नहीं देखा था फर्स्ट टाइम में, लेकिन मैंने जब भी टीवी में देख रहा था तो आई वाज लाइक वाओ, क्या क्या सीन उन लोग ने पूरा शूट किया है। एंड मैं अपने पापा के साथ देख रहा था, और जो ऑब्वियसली टीवी पे लगा है, तो पापा के साथ पापा आए और देखे, और लाइक पापा ने बोल दिया कि यार ये तो वही जीतने वाला है, लेकिन उनको भी इतना ही मजा आया था देखते वक्त कि क्या उन लोग ने जैसे बनाया है, जस्ट एक थ्रिलिंग सीक्वेंस बनाया है, वैसे आई जस्ट लव दैट पार्ट। वैसे स्टार्टिंग से अगर बोले, जैसे फर्स्ट सीन पता चलता है कि इट्स लाइक जैसे एंजल्स वगैरह ऐसे कुछ
हाँ,
आते
yes,
हैं,
yes,
और
it's
पूरा
very वो setup के लिए I
biblical-
think they show you the place and then like a shooting star जैसे होता
Yes.
है, I think वो it's
Hmm.
stops at the
It's
place
the-
where
It's the New Testament
Testament?
original.
Yes,
Yeah, it's the New
yeah, okay.
Testament original.
हाँ,
करेक्ट, सो वैसे वो आता है, वाओ, लाइक ये ऐसा बिब्लिकल रेफरेंसेस और ऐसे मैंने कभी देखा नहीं था। मैंने बिब्लिकल वाले थोड़े एक नॉवल पढ़ा है मैंने, एंजल्स एंड डीमंस, सिर्फ नॉवल पढ़ा है मैंने, विजुअलाइज किया था सिर्फ, लेकिन ये मैं पहली बार कुछ जीसस के ऊपर मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ, सो आई वाज क्वाइट फैसिनेटेड अबाउट इट। मैंने साइलेंस भी देखी है, लेकिन काफी जीसस का रेफरेंसेस है, जीसस को खुद ऐसे इन पर्सन जैसे कुछ नहीं दिखाया था, सो आई वाज क्वाइट फैसिनेटेड अबाउट दैट मोमेंट। और फिर जाके कट टू वी डू सी the fall of Judah Ben-Hur, I think Judah, right?
yeah, Judah
Yes,
Ben
so-
Hur, the protagonist.
Yes, the protagonist played by Charlton Heston, जो
Charlton Heston.
yes, Charlton Heston actually, सच बोलो, in person, like real life person, मुझे काफी अच्छे नहीं लगते।
I have not known, I don't know much about this, so both of you can, you and Amartya, आप दोनों मिलके बता दो मुझे कि क्या बुरा था, क्योंकि
Actually,
हॉलीवुड में सब बुरे हैं,
so
so काफी मुश्किल है।
he's a Republican, और मैंने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी थी,
अच्छा, okay,
Calling for Columbine करके,
हाँ,
which was made by Michael Moore,
Michael Moore, yes,
और लाइक बोलिंग सॉरी कोलम्बाइन हाई स्कूल में शूटिंग होती है, और वहां पे जस्ट थोड़े दिन बाद चार्ल्सटन हेस्टन, हु इज द काइंड ऑफ बहुत मतलब कुछ तो एनआरए का बहुत हाई रैंकिंग मेंबर रहता है, और वो वहां पे गन की रैली, लाइक गन प्रो
अच्छा,
गन
okay,
रैली
okay,
करता है,
okay,
और फ्रॉम
okay,
माय
okay.
गॉड,
So conservative, very conservative.
क्वाइट अ कंजर्वेटिव, एंड लाइक मतलब वहां पे शूट आउट हुआ है वहां पे, लाइक, और ये बंदा आता है और बोलता है कि लाइक ये मेरे हाथ से लेके जाओ, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, मतलब फ्रॉम माय कोल्ड डेड हैंड्स, ऐसे उन्होंने बोला था। या एक
ये अपन पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, आई थिंक, थोड़ा जब सर्चर्स के बारे में बात हुई थी हमारी, with John
I mean,
Wayne,
that's
John
John
Ford.
Wayne. That's John Wayne and John Ford. Conservatives 101.
John Ford, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, conservatives
correct.
101.
Anyways, back to this Ben Hur. Yes,
correct,
go ahead.
but हाँ, yes, so मैं जैसे कि बोला, like I didn't like it, but still मैं make sure करता हूँ कि देखो मैं देख रहा हूँ उसको, लेकिन मैं अपने political views या उसके जैसे भी जो भी views है मैं बाजू में रखूंगा और वो देखूंगा, वैसे। और वैसे ही देखा, he was amazing in this film, वैसे like not just in like हर सीक्वेंसेस में, मैं जैसे कि मैंने सो ये प्रिंट मैंने डाउनलोड किया था, और मैंने बीच में कभी कभार वो कमेंट्री, ऑडियो कमेंट्री भी सुन रहा था। एक्चुअली उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज प्रेजेंट की थी, लाइक उन्होंने बोली थी कि वाटर पानी इस फिल्म में काफी बड़ा एलिमेंट प्ले करता है। हर एक सीन में देखो पानी ऐसा एलिमेंट दिखाया गया कि लोग उसके लिए तरस रहे, या लाइक जब भी एक सीन आता है कि जब भी जीसस आते हैं और उनको पानी पिलाते हैं, मतलब डायरेक्टर विलियम वाइलर ने इतने सारे शॉट्स लिए थे, इतने टेक्स लिए थे अबाउट चार्ल्टन हेस्टन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, क्योंकि उनको पसंद नहीं आ रहा था वो पानी कैसे पी।
I mean, yeah, I think मैं वो पढ़ रहा था थोड़ा कि William Wyler very much perfectionist in that sense. कि take long, like he David Fincher की reputation जो आज है, I think वो classic Hollywood में sort of.
More like Kubrick.
More like Kubrick, okay.
Correct.
More like Kubrick.
Okay.
करेक्ट। सो वैसे वो लोग, उनको पसंद नहीं आ रहा था कि यार ये बराबर से पानी नहीं पी रहे, जैसा एक हंगर होना चाहिए वैसे वो पानी पीना चाहिए वैसे।
और जब हेस्टन ने पूछा कि प्रॉब्लम हो क्या रहा है, and he's like nothing, you are just shit, so go on again.
बट यस, वो यहाँ पे मैं बोला वाओ क्या परफेक्शनिस्ट थे तभी के जमाने में, एंड लाइक तभी इन फिल्म ये सब चीज पॉसिबल करना, वाओ। और एक सीन आता है जब क्राइस्ट आते हैं और उनका सिर्फ पीठ दिखता है, उनका बैक दिखता है, सो जस्ट मतलब एनॉर्मस है। मैं वो सीन को यूट्यूब में फिर बाद में बहुत बार देख चुका हूँ, लाइक इतना पावरफुल सीन है कि वो आते हैं और उनकी पावर इतनी है कि आसपास कोई भी उनको कुछ कर नहीं सकता, और जस्ट अमेजिंग मैजिकल सीन था जो अमर्त्य ने पहले भी बोला कि पहले बोला कि लाइक इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन फिल्म तो उस लाइक उस इंसान के ऊपर मत बनाओ यार, लाइक उनके आइडियाज के आसपास बनाओ तो फिल्म बहुत अच्छी रहेगी। और ये एक बहुत बढ़िया एग्जांपल है कि जीसस के लाइक बोलते ना कि टीचिंग्स और वगैरह सब कुछ यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है पूरे फिल्म में, और एट द एंड तक लाइक शुरुआत भी उनसे ही हुई, उनके जन्म से हुई है, और और लाइक फिल्म का अंत उनके मृत्यु से हुई है। सो वो चीज इस फिल्म में मुझे काफी अच्छी लगी थी यार, सच बोले तो।
नहीं सही है। अमर्त्य?
Okay, so main question that arises कि what makes a scene powerful, quote unquote, because that's what people deliver all the time, कि when you see Jesus in the background and everything, I am never going to call myself a religious person, whatever the flying F or whatever, but जब मैंने वो scene देखा, even I was a tad bit emotional, and I was like, why? The bigger question is why. It's not because he's showing it at the background, showing it from the back or anything. It's none of it. It's good. अच्छा हुआ क्योंकि विलियम वाइलर ने एटलीस्ट थैंकफुली कोई हेलो नहीं डाल दिया पीछे से, कि जीसस के देखो जीसस है, गॉड के ऊपर हेलो है, वैसा कुछ नहीं है, थैंक गॉड। एंड आई थिंक आई गॉट द आंसर। आई थिंक दैट्स साउंड, आई थिंक दैट्स म्यूजिक, because the music, especially Christ's music, Christ का जो intro music है, every time when Jesus comes into the frame, that music is absolutely gorgeously arranged. The arrangement is exquisite. It just
it's
works.
By Miklos Rocha, I think so.
Rocha, and Ben-Hur's music is very influential. If I'm not mistaken, even John Williams was inspired by it. So those music elevates those scenes more and more.
Got it. Also, I just to plug in a little bit, because I have, again, my thoughts are before the chariot race happens, essentially. So uske pehle, at least, there's a supreme lack of music also in a lot of scenes, which I think is a very because I've seen his other movie also. William Wyler, I think, does that a lot, कि music को बहुत जुडिशियली यूज करते हैं वो अपनी फिल्म्स में। वो हमें लाइक इट्स ओमनी प्रेजेंट नहीं रहता, आई थिंक वो
yeah. But it's also like I think that's the standard for any quote unquote epic, because I think the definition of epic is also very much a problematic one, because
oxymoron nahi hai, historical epic.
It's such a broad term in a way. there are some who say that any movie over 2 hours is an epic. I can definitely say we are Bollywood people. I guarantee you all those movies are not epics. Okay.
क्यों कभी खुशी कभी गम है epics और
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Let's not go
It
there.
is.
Let's not go there. Let's not, please. And
sorry
को
sorry
इस-
I won't disturb your train of
एपिसोड
thought
के
Go
लिए थोड़ा
ahead.
बख्श देते हैं बॉलीवुड
yeah. क्योंकि अगर rant start हो गया मेरे
हाँ
तो
हाँ
खत्म
हाँ
नहीं
नहीं
होगा।
मैंने कल बहुत सुना है नहीं
Yes.
प्लीज बोलो
Yes.
हाँ.
So it's like, I think Roger Ebert, I think, said it best. An epic movie isn't supposed to be about the production design or the music or all of it. An epic movie is supposed to be about the vision.
Hmm.
A director's ये क्या
This is
था? ये क्या था?
नहीं, it makes sense, यार.
नहीं your hum was very like I
His
don't know
hum
sound
was
effect
like-
sound
No,
effect
his
होता है ना
home was
कोई
like his home was like my father or my grandfather watching Ben-Hur, and every second some of the terms of use my grandfather is saying, his voice.
I didn't know it would be that punctuated while you guys are talking. Continue. Sorry.
continue
No,
sir.
but but
Yes.
Ebert's point actually struck with me because it's true. The great epics, like the other epic which we will talk about by David Lean,
Yeah.
like I think Lean's best work again for me is Lawrence of Arabia.
Yeah.
It's jaw-dropping how
Yeah.
good it is. And one of the reasons why Lawrence works, or even Bridge on the River Kwai works, or even to some extent Zhivago also works, however flawed that movie is because there is a vision
Yeah.
in those movies.
Massive vision.
There's a massive vision in those movies. Those movies are not, the length kind of has a point.
Yeah, I think so.
करेक्ट नहीं वो
Could be longer, I
कहानी
would say.
इतनी लंबी ही है कि उतना लेंथ
हाँ.
चाहिए ही
Yeah, could be longer, could be
Could
shorter.
be longer or could be very shorter. Like I
Could
think
be
वो
very shorter. I think
very
Ben-Hur-
short में different movie बनेगी, but
Yeah.
but बन सकती है is my point.
What
Yeah,
is
yeah.
an example for like a very short epic that you guys know?
very
Cold
short.
War.
Cold War. Yeah.
Okay.
Pavel Pavlikovsky.
Okay.
No, but it's like, if I think about it, like one of my criticisms of Ben-Hur is that it's an epic. I understand. 3 hours 42 minutes is a lot. I'm sorry. You can cut off 20 minutes. You can cut off 30 minutes. From
I
that.
have to say, can I be very honest? 2
Yeah.
hours 42 minutes में it
हाँ.
felt like 4 hours, and I'm not joking. And I'll tell you why. मैं देखूंगा उसका 1 घंटा, and there
Yeah.
is lot of admiration from my side on the film and filmmaking because what William Wyler is doing, I theoretically मुझे वो approach better लगती है कि थोड़ा सा distance वो ज्यादा रखता है कैमरा का from the
Objective,
action. It feels more like you're watching a filmed theater, which is not a criticism automatically because उसके में he is always like that. वो थोड़ा distance रखता है, वो staging, he's more
not
into mise
he's
en
not
scène,
putting you
staging.
inside. He's not
हाँ.
putting you inside that.
आप अगर हाँ जैसे I was thinking कि short reverse shots इसमें बहुत कम है, like from people. इसमें लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं longer takes में.
But
जो अभी नहीं होता.
isn't that also because of a technical standpoint? Panavision
Exactly.
they're
No.
Panavision
Absolutely.
they're shooting. Those cameras are huge. 3
हाँ,
cameras हैं.
it give
change करना भी तो problem.
Absolutely. No. और फिर जो production design है, जो cinematography है, उसका effect भी ज्यादा होता है, right? Because Spider में you can see कि वो atmospheres और वो जो castles or whatever हैं, dungeons.
There are much more details, right?
So,
there are more
हाँ.
details in each and every corner
exactly.
of the frame. Yeah,
exactly. वो dungeon का scene when they go downstairs in the dungeon to look at like lepers is very scary. उसमें lighting makes a huge difference.
The other hour which you will see, right? In the end, there is a scene. In the end, there is a scene in which Heston is walking through the darkness in a cave. Okay.
अच्छा. Okay.
That is claustrophobic, but since it is wide. It also makes for a very weird experience. You will understand what I'm talking about.
Okay. Got it. So my observations were more that, but I thought कि this is very unusual thought I have because I watch slow movies and slow cinema in any case. But in this, I felt कि not एक दो scenes, but a lot of scenes में 2 या 3 या 4 second extra लग रहा था. Like
he was lingering more. he was
more
lingering.
than, and मुझे कुछ उसमें मिला, like I couldn't feel anything in those extra 4-5 seconds, so I thought कि
बट
it was
ध्रुव, आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता है लाइक ये ऐसे तरीके के एक्टिंग या इसी तरीके के फिल्म्स या डायलॉग डिलीवरी उस जमाने के फिल्म्स में हुआ ही करते थे, लाइक जस्ट
हाँ,
It's a
but
product of its time, no, that way.
absolutely
If you
नहीं
look
नहीं, but I इसमें मुझे लगा कि there are, I think spectacle, like there are things in this movie I thought you can like not show and be fine with it, like हर चीज को नहीं दिखाने की जरूरत होती, right? कभी कभी like कुछ
That
कुछ
is-
चीजें हम समझ जाते हैं automatically.
That's the Wilder criticism anyway, right? Because
अच्छा, okay, he's okay.
yeah, that is my criticism of the movie as well. कि
Okay.
there are thematic conclusions which is hammering home
Yeah.
more and more. That last 40 minutes, the denouement basically of the movie, it's just him hammering all of the points each and
Huh.
every time. And after a point, it becomes, I know it is like sweeping, it is like emotional, but it is also exhausting after a point. So
नहीं, वो मेरी, but मैं I'm anyways averse a little bit to long, like really long films, मुझे because I think sometimes लोग
you're not averse to long films, you're averse to films which feel long. There is a difference.
हाँ मतलब वो, but मैं देख, like ये एपिसोड है इसीलिए मैंने like ये दोनों फिल्म्स निकाल के देखी हैं, like I ये won't, this doesn't come as a priority in my head because ये I think 4-4 घंटे
Yeah,
की पिक्चरें कभी कभी, not कभी कभी actually mostly 4-4 घंटे की नहीं होनी चाहिए. I think आप छोटी बना सकते हो पिक्चरें. Anyways,
No, I can
that is
definitely,
no,
I
but when
definitely
we get to
agree.
Zhivago, I'll say how much I was engaged in that. So Amartya and me actually are kind of opposites on this.
Yeah,
Surprise.
Surprise.
कि उसको Ben-Hur अच्छी लगती है ज्यादा, मुझे शिकागो काफी अच्छी
My
लगती है.
Ben-Hur liking is also, I think, I can't, I realized this just now. I think my Ben-Hur liking is because number one, Christian school. That's one.
Okay.
Christian school.
But
Number
मैं
two,
टेरेंस मालिक का फैन हूँ, मैं आधा क्रिश्चियन स्कूल में जा चुका हूँ.
yeah, I get it. I'm just saying कि Christian school मतलब New Testament and all that stuff, like the Bible
Yes.
story and everything, you
Yeah.
get parts of it, right? So that's one. Number two, I saw this on TV when TCM or even HBO Classic or HBO movies used to come on TV. I saw this with my mom and my dad. So I had seen this movie.
Yeah.
That was the first time I saw this movie. And because it was on a television, because there were ad breaks and everything, you can understand that it took time and everything. So I wasn't that
It took
disinterested.
time, मतलब क्या 7 घंटे?
It's like, I think with ads and everything, it ran for around 3 hours 42 minutes total movie hai. I think the entire movie ran for
5
4
घंटे.
hours.
Okay.
4 hours.
4.5 घंटे जितना चला होगा.
ठीक है.
4 hours or 4.5 hours, around something like that. So I
Hmm.
was like, good only, weekend hai kya hai?
नहीं ठीक है, but maybe you both are right. Maybe I hate saying it, but maybe ये सिनेमा हॉल में या बड़े स्क्रीन पे.
No, I definitely think this. I definitely think this movie, because of the context which we all gave, I think this movie was almost stubbornly designed to be in theaters. Because if you
हाँ
see this
सर,
in a
आप तो
small,
हाँ ही बोलोगे ना.
बट अमर्त्य ने पहले ही बोला था कि
हाँ.
देखो ना कि वो टीवी का राइज हो रहा था और वैसे था, ये सब था.
Yeah.
So these kind of epic films used to attract the people
Of
to
course,
come
of
into the
course.
theater वैसे, और
Yep.
वो Panavision, Vistavision जैसा.
But मेरा
हाँ.
काउंटर इसके लिए है कि मुझे डॉक्टर जिवागो मेरे लैपटॉप पे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So मेरा वो काउंटर है.
I think that's more because not exactly. Yes. Yes, you are.
So
huge
if you didn't
softies.
hear what Sanjeet said, Amartya, before the episode started, me and Sanjeet were talking, and he said that we both are the biggest softies.
Yeah,
सिर्फ
even though
बाहर
you
से हम
guys,
लोग.
even though you
Yes.
guys act like you're the biggest cynics on the planet, you are two of the biggest romantics and softies
But we have
ever.
we have a soft spot for romance, I think, in general, like
Spot नहीं है
genre.
sir, black hole है. Spot नहीं है वो.
नहीं, तो
चलो
आप लोग
ठीक
क्या
है.
बॉलीवुड के फैंस लग रहे हो लगता
हम तो
है.
बॉलीवुड के हैं फैंस.
ये दोनों बहुत बॉलीवुड के फैंस हैं.
मैं तो केजो का फैन हूँ.
ये
मैं तो इतनी भी बुरी
हर
हरकतें कर
second,
चुका हूँ.
every second that Dhruv tries to defend the Kejo movie, his cinephilia card goes down the drain.
ठीक है, अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका. चलो. Anyways, Ben-Hur पे आओ sir. Any other thoughts?
नहीं, मैं Ben-Hur पे आता हूँ. It's like, I think it also struck me that You know, when people were jumping up and down every time a Marvel movie comes and they say, "Oh my God, there's a cameo! Oh my God, there's a cameo! See this guy is coming! See that guy is coming!"
Yeah.
I'm like, this Ben-Hur movie is like the precursor to all that, because every time Jesus Christ is coming, that's like a
वो
cameo,
cameo
right?
है.
वो cameo hai, right? Of the superhero in this movie, because that's what he's treated as.
That's very true. That's
That's what
very
he's
true.
treated to. Yeah, he's
Yeah.
coming, music, swelling music, and everything. Yeah.
नहीं, but I really like the
लेकिन
हाँ, sorry,
लेकिन एक सॉरी एक
हाँ,
चीज
हाँ.
मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि अभी हर मार्वल के फिल्म में या डीसी के फिल्म में वो कैमियोज जैसे आते हैं, तो वो कोई भी कैरेक्टर्स अपने आप को दिखाता कि हाँ मेरा भाई मेरा कैमियो है, मैं कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा अपने डायलॉग्स के साथ वगैरह के साथ. यहाँ पे बिना डायलॉग्स के उन्होंने जो किया ना, आई अप्रिशिएट द वर्क ऑफ.
But वो I think Sangeet, it's a trend change in just like old blockbusters and new blockbusters. आजकल you need to say everything whatever बोलना है ना आप.
I mean, there's a
you don't hold
storytelling.
back.
I mean, there's a storytelling trope anyway, right? Like, it's always more interesting to see normal people reacting to extraordinary circumstances.
Yes.
That's why when Jesus Christ appears in this movie each and every single time, what I love about this movie is how people are referencing it as. As time progresses, people are referencing it, like Balthazar references it, the old man, he references it in the beginning. By the way, Balthazar, to all the people who aren't exactly familiar with Christian, myths and everything, and you don't have to be, I'm just saying, Balthazar was one of the Magi, the three rich servants three rich merchants who came from, far away from the world to give gifts to the Son of God. He was one of the Magi. So now each and every single time as time progresses, we hear his presence in the background. He's the kid. There is a myth about a Messiah who will supposedly rise up, according to the Romans.
Yeah.
There is a guy who is a carpenter who has been, pitching miracles, apparently quote unquote miracles, which could also be rabble rousers who are trying to, defend against the Roman Empire. It's very slow. It's very, small instances of rebellion.
But
so it's like, it's the divine presence. I understand, that he's the divine presence, but he's also like, I know. But if you look at it, if you remove the divine presence, he could also be like, for the people who are in authority, he's the cult leader who is, inciting anarchy.
I was saying as someone who's not at all into religion and who doesn't think it's worth anything, to me at least, like for me this nicely became a World War II allegory.
Yes.
Like because it's about Jews and Romans. So I mean, in many cases, if you have a narrative in which Jews and Arabs are rising up.
Also the movie is very Bollywood, very Hollywood. Wow,
actually Hollywood, same, sir.
हाँ एक भी तो है age के against. But it's like this movie is very Hollywood because in no point in this entire movie was the word Israel used.
हाँ वो थोड़ा बहुत तो yes.
Because I'm pointing this out because in the 1925 silent movie, which I have seen only I think 2 or 3 minutes of, one of the intertitles actually states, that the state of Israel will be the future of our people. And it struck me that term wasn't used at all here. It's not there. That's true. And that's very deliberate if you consider what the story is actually about, because the actual Exodus, that's what the story is about, right? So
but I think वो 1950s and 60s में सब थोड़ा वो Hollywood learned how to tiptoe around जो भी चीजें dangerous थी ना, जो भी minefield issues थी. We'll talk about Zhivago. I think उसमें भी काफी है वो सब.
तो fully है ना.
That fully है. And it's like they didn't tiptoe around. They wanted to brush it off. It's like that is there. You forget it. See, flashing.
But if anyone's actually वो 1950s का phase is actually one of the most interesting, like historically, production wise, and like whatever conflicts Hollywood में चल रहे थे. and उससे जैसे films बन के
They
आई
could also be stated. There
वो
could
जो
also be a-
un-American comedy
Yeah,
yes, yes,
वाला जो
American activity, Great Scare and everything, सब कुछ
there could
and
also be a perspective here. The perspective is that there could be a question that why were there so many biblical historical epics, or why were there sword and sandal epics?
10 Commandments आई थी ना इसके पहले I
10
think.
comment 1950.
Cecil B.
55.
Cecil
B. DeMille की.
55, yeah.
Cecil B. DeMille तो I think head था, or he was at least un-American activities का some big thing.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
was very much into
ये सब आई थिंक बड़े डायरेक्टर्स जो थे ना, सेसिल बी डेमिल, फिर
No,
चार्ल्स सेलेस्टिन,
I
ये
think
सब
William Wyler wasn't. Like, I think William Wyler was one of the people who really wasn't, and then there are a couple of people who weren't. Elia Kazan, of course, was
Elia
the
Kazan definitely
was-
wasn't.
he was the-
हाँ,
he was
एलिया
the
कज़न,
creator.
हाँ वो
Elia
तो
Kazan definitely
Man who
wasn't.
named names.
Yes.
हाँ यस लाइक आई थिंक लाइक कर्क डगलस ही थे जो इन सब के खिलाफ होके सब गए थे लाइक इन
No, but William Wyler का movie, if you see Best Years of the Life of Our Lives also, you can see he's a German, of course, but uske there's no sentiment of whatever you get. Like, it's very defeatist, very pessimistic, very
Yeah,
no,
because
yeah. And
yeah,
Fritz
but
Lang definitely wasn't. वो तो भाग के आया था नाची
we are
जर्मनी
definitely
से.
not
So,
going into
yes.
Fritz Lang because that is
Yeah.
such an opposite spectrum completely. Yeah. So it's like, if you think about it, I also think that is because we are dealing with, we will deal with it in much more detail in Zhivago. But
Yeah.
what's happening in Russia was, that was
Yeah.
going on. That
Hmm.
was going on, and that was becoming a legitimate problem and legitimate fear for
Hmm.
them. So
Yeah.
for them, communism was godless.
Mhm.
So a radical idea which is godless. So we
Yeah.
need to bring back the traditionalism into them. How do we bring back traditionalism and conservatism? We go to the one book,
Biblicals.
we go to the one book which is the best-selling book of all time. I'm
Yes.
not making this up, it's true. The Bible is the best-selling book of all time. So
Mm.
yeah, so
For to see the thing happening in the current day and the present, we can look at India
yes,
and
of
how
course.
that trend is continuing.
Yes.
Not with
No,
the
but it's-
Bible, with Ramayana
We all
and
got
other
it.
stuff.
We all got it. You don't have to be
Yes.
William Wyler and Hammer.
No, he's trying to. Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah,
Meta.
you don't have to be William Wyler.
You want me to be like quiet about all this? Okay.
Yes.
Fine. ठीक है.
We
Should
want
we
to. Yes.
should we move on then
We
to
don't
Dr.
want to be
Zhivago?
we don't want to be
Sorry, I
Dalton
think you should
Trumbo.
beep this, huh?
We,
what you just
we
said.
don't want to be Dalton
that
Trumbo
it's-
through.
More interesting, but never
Yeah.
mind.
Okay, fine. Okay.
We don't want to be Dalton Trumbo. We don't want to be blacklisted.
ठीक है. Okay. Dr. Zhivago, should we go on to, unless there are other thoughts about Ben-Hur?
Of course, there is one thought जो संकेत ने दोनों ने नहीं बताया क्योंकि आपने वो 1 घंटा नहीं देखा, and that is the
तो
chariot.
बोलो ना, तो एक घंटे तो
बोलने दो ना, आपको तो जाना है, बोलने तो दो. I think that the chariot race is the ultimate climax for which everybody should watch this movie to get to the climax, because that's the entire build-up going on.
Hmm.
The relationship between Messala and Judah Ben-Hur has all been leading up to the chariot race.
Hmm.
And whatever people may think about this movie, however flawed it may be, however long it may be, that 20-minute stretch of a chariot race is so good.
Hmm.
It
तो वही
just
देख के
brushed-
बंद कर दे क्या?
more or less. That's my opinion. I think when the chariot race ends, when the chariot race ends, and Messala or Judah Ben-Hur का final जो resolution होता है, I think the movie should have just stopped there. Honestly, I know that A Tale of Christ becomes redundant at that point. I get it.
Okay.
But I think the movie should have stopped there because that is the ultimate high. And that is always my thesis statement about an epic. When you're watching a long movie, there is always something, some sense of an investment going on. Now, I am not the biggest. Yeah, I'm not the biggest slow cinema person. So, Dhruv, you can correct me on this. In a slow cinema, I think the high moments are more like rolling, right? It's not like there is a peak high moment and then suddenly a crash down. It's always
mostly rolling. And wo peak aata, but if there is a peak, it ends at the peak. So you have to like sit through the entire thing
Yeah,
for
yeah,
it
you
to
have to
rise.
sit through the entire thing and then the rise
और
is
risk है कि वो कभी आए भी ना. So
वो कभी
that's
आए
the
भी
other
नहीं.
risk.
ये ऐसा हुआ था मेरे साथ एक एडवर्ड यांग की फिल्म थी
हाँ, हो
अ
सकता
ब्राइट
है.
समर डे में,
मैंने
जैसे
देखी नहीं है, but I know what you
हाँ
mean.
लाइक
Yes.
इससे ताकि शुरुआत में हाँ हो रहा है सब कुछ, सब सीन, ये सब चीज है हो रही है अबाउट द हिस्ट्री एंड द ज्योग्राफी, एवरीथिंग अबाउट द ज्योग्राफी. लेकिन फिर जाके हाँ कुछ होगा, लेट्स सी लाइक आगे क्या होता है, और एट द एंड हाँ एक बहुत गलत चीज होती है और इट काइंड ऑफ बस
उस पे
वहां से
खत्म हो जाती है, right? Kind of like that. So that is
Yeah,
something, yeah. हाँ,
And
तो but
also,
you were saying in terms of epics, right?
yeah, yeah.
It's how it differs.
I also think that an epic is kind of like a spider's web. There is one
Mhm.
single scene,
Hmm.
okay, and each and every director wants to get to that scene, wants to get to that moment. That is the entire image of what the movie is actually supposed to
Interesting.
be. For me, I
Interesting.
think there are two images for Ben-Hur. One
Hmm.
image is, Jesus Christ giving Ben-Hur water.
Water. Hmm.
That is the one. That is the one image. The other image is the chariot race.
Hmm.
Those are the two images which the director wants to hit.
Yeah.
And he is going to protract the movie until it becomes like a rubber band which completely loses its elasticity. But he is going to reach there by hook or by crook.
Interesting point. I will look out for this now in other movies.
I also think, and this is my criticism for Zhivago, I think
Have we
Zhivago
shifted?
we can shift if you want.
नहीं
I think-
actually एक चीज
नहीं,
पूछ
wait,
लाइक
हाँ, you
Yeah,
said.
yeah, yeah.
नहीं एक्चुअली जो आपने बोला अमर्त्य कि एक हर एक ऐसे एपिक फिल्म का कुछ एक पॉइंट जैसा हाई पॉइंट जैसा कुछ रहता है, और ये सच बात रहती क्योंकि मैंने हाल ही में द किंगडम ऑफ हेवन भी देखा था, रिडली स्कॉट का,
Ridley Scott,
ग्लैडिएटर देखा था, और जोधा अकबर, सब ये सब रीवॉचेस वगैरह हुए थे. किंगडम ऑफ हेवन फर्स्ट टाइम वॉच था मेरा, लेकिन ये सब हुए थे. इसमें सबका लाइक वो हाई पॉइंट क्या रहता है कि सब में एक जंग रहती है, और वो जंग क्या कैसे डिफाइन करती है आगे की स्टोरी को और आगे वो लीड कैरेक्टर को, वो सब पता चलता है.
But that's but वो सब war movie है, right, Sanket? So the image is always going to be a battle sequence or an aftermath. ठीक है ना? एक war movie का epic के लिए. For a movie like Zhivago, say, or for a movie like Ben-Hur, which is not technically about war or anything, but its ideas are more like existential or more abstract in a way. जब वो होता है, the images are more like visceral in a way.
But even in Ben-Hur, it is an action scene only, no?
Yeah, so the chariot race is interesting in that concept because the chariot race is an action scene. But it's an emotional closure as well. That's why it's building it up. For Zhivago, I genuinely think Zhivago का जो image था for the director, I think Lean's ultimate image of Zhivago was that entire train sequence.
When they
That
move
was his
out of
image.
Moscow.
Yeah. That was his
Basically,
entire
the spirit
image.
of the film.
Basically, the spirit of the film.
Yeah.
And that was my criticism of that movie because once he hits the spirit of the film, he has still 1.5 hours to go.
Yes. Okay. So now we shift to Zhivago because
now
that
we
is a
shift to Zhivago.
good, like you said, the train thing. So we can like actually like, yeah.
It wasn't my child here. And his little soul's in heaven now, that's certain.
Who did it, comrade? The Whites?
The Whites? No. Strelnikov.
Well then, you must have done something.
It wasn't us, comrade. The commander said we sold horses to the Whites. It wasn't us, it was those pigs in Kuniko. We told him, but he didn't believe us.
I expect you were lying.
As God's my witness.
But he isn't. Commander Strelnikov is a great man. He commanded Sesha, and he lives on bread and water.
Does he?
I don't know, they say so. It's true. No one knows where he comes from. And they never know where he is.
He's back up the line.
So Sanjeet, you take over. I've done enough
Me?
embarrassment.
No, but like,
कहाँ embarrassment किया?
you did well.
Yeah.
But so what do you guys think about Zhivago? Like,
हाँ,
we
अरे
should only
ये-
start with everyone.
मैंने एक्चुअली
Why did you ask us to watch
One
Zhivago?
second,
Because I
yeah.
hadn't
Why
seen
did you
Zhivago.
ask? Also, it's directed by David Lean. It's also written. It's based on a book, very popular book, but banned in Russia. called the same name, Dr. Zhivago. It's shot by Freddie Young, who also shot Lawrence of Arabia, I think, right?
One of the
Music,
greatest cinematographers of
yeah, and the music, which is highly addictive and highly
Maurice
amazing,
Jarre.
Yeah.
is Maurice Jarre. So yes, now we can ask the question, Sanjeet. Ask. What were you
So
asking?
Sanket, why do you select Dr. Zhivago?
ओके सो यस मैंने ये फिल्म क्यों सिलेक्ट की क्योंकि और क्यों अच्छी लगती है पहली बात तो क्योंकि मैं जर्नलिज्म मैंने पढ़ा था और लाइक देयर वाज अ पॉइंट इन टाइम इन माय क्लास के काफी लाइक कुछ ऐसे फिल्म्स के बारे में डिस्कस हो रही थी अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन कि क्या हो रहा था अबाउट द कोल्ड वॉर एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट सो मेरी प्रोफेसर ने बोला कि देयर इज अ ग्रेट बुक बाय बोरिस पास्टरनिक कॉल्ड डॉक्टर जिवागो। मैं बोला यार ये तो फिल्म बनी है मैंने देखी नहीं लेकिन हाँ सो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि इट्स अबाउट लाइक द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ कोल्ड वॉर लाइक कोल्ड वॉर कहाँ से लाइक वो सब
As an origins of Cold War.
कोल्ड वॉर नहीं
Russian Revolution.
Russian Revolution, correct, yes.
Yeah.
The Russian Revolution, the rise of the Soviet Union and the Communist Party in Russia. वैसे so वो चल रहा था बात so I would like okay चलो देखते कभी ये फिल्म तो मैंने सितंबर 2022 में ये फिल्म देखी आखिरकार मैंने और मेरा पहला रिएक्शन था लाइक अनलाइक आप लोग लाइक मुझे तो ये फिल्म काफी पसंद आई थी लाइक
अनलाइक क्या मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी
okay no
I am the outlier here.
सिर्फ
I am the
अमर्त्य
outlier here. And even I like the movie quite a bit. Just putting it
वो
out.
अनरोमांटिक आदमी है हम में से
नहीं काफी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे बिकॉज मैंने ये लॉरेंस ऑफ अरेबिया और द ब्रिज ऑन द रिवर क्वाई मैंने देखा था पहले सो
masterpieces by the way, two masterpieces.
Absolute masterpieces सच में दोनों like masterpieces in its own right वैसे so मैंने पहले देखी थी तो काफी आशाएं थी इस फिल्म को लेके कि कुछ ऐसे बड़े लैंडस्केप देखने को मिलेंगे रशिया वैसे ऐसे फुल रोमांटिसाइज करेंगे अबाउट द रशिया व्हिच यू नो वैसे सो वही जो एक्सपेक्टेशन से वैसे वही सब मीट हो पाए थे इसमें इस फिल्म में सो आई वाज लाइक मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा लाइक सेटिस्फैक्शन लगा कि एट द एंड कितने सालों बाद कितने सॉरी आई वुड से सालों नहीं थोड़े टाइम बाद की एक अच्छी एपिक फिल्म मैंने एपिक जैसे फिल्म देखी मतलब बेन-हर बाद में देखी थी लेकिन डॉक्टर जिवागो पहले देखी थी क्योंकि मैंने लाइक लॉरेंस ऑफ अरेबिया और ब्रिज ऑन द रिवर क्वाई तो पहले भी देख चुका हूँ लेकिन हॉलीवुड से जैसे मार्वल्स वगैरह सब लाइक काफी लोग देखते हैं मैं भी देखता था वैसे सो एपिक हम लोग के लिए एपिक तो यार वही सब फिल्म हो चुकी थी वैसे सो एक बोलते ना कि हॉलीवुड इज नोन फॉर इट्स बिग बजट फिल्म्स वैसे
दिस इज व्हाट 15 मिलियन 11 मिलियन आई थिंक उसके लाइक 11 मिलियन इन 19
उस जमाने के without inflation
yes
exactly so वैसे लाइक उस जमाने में यही तो एक वो टेंट पोल फिल्म्स है कि लोग देखने जाते थे और नॉट जस्ट कि यार तुम एक महीना सिर्फ रखो थिएटर में या थोड़े हफ्ते रखो वैसे नहीं रहता है काफी हफ्तों तक रहते महीनों तक एग्जैक्टली और लोग तभी भी देखने जाते थे ऐसे फिल्म्स और लाइक these kind of films
I think we are also forgetting an important point here that time distribution was also staggered was not instant so it took time to reach in certain places so distribution be staggered tha. So for a movie to remain in the public consciousness it took quite a while to get there to reach there to stay in the consciousness anyway continue sorry Sanket interrupt
मैं just ये बोल रहा था कि yes हाँ मैं बोल रहा था कि मैंने बहुत लोग से बात की थी जस्ट रिलेटेड टू दिस फिल्म मैंने बात की थी कि इवन सरप्राइजिंगली बेन-हर एंड डॉक्टर जिवागो और भी सारे एपिक्स जो उस जमाने में बनते थे यहाँ पे भी काफी डिमांड थी और यहाँ पे भी उस
हम्म
फिल्म की काफी मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि हाउसफुल होते थे शोज।
हम्म
Yeah, yeah.
यहाँ पे ऐसा होता था कि नॉट जस्ट अभी 60s का मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने एक इंसान से बात की थी, लाइक इज अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड, मनीष मेहरोत्रा।
हम्म
सो लाइक वो ज्यादा हिंदी मेन स्ट्रीम वाले फिल्म्स देखते हैं, 70s 80s वाले ज्यादा देखते हैं, लाइक बट ही इज ऑल्सो फैन ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स जो ट्रेडिशनल हॉलीवुड फिल्म जो
बट ट्रेडिशनल हॉलीवुड एंड बॉलीवुड में इमोशनल सेंटिमेंटालिटी का कनेक्शन भी है ही ना, लाइक वो दोनों इमोशन पे
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
रन
yeah.
कर रही हैं.
But
I think
Hollywood
Indian
tend.
films were majorly like they
Mhm.
used to watch so much of American
Yeah.
films in India at that
Yep.
point. Like
Mm.
Dev Anand used to have
Mm.
stories when him and his brothers would go and watch and
Yeah.
come back and write what they would want to make at the end.
Mhm.
Like
But like the inspiration was very
and
omnipresent.
Hollywood tentpole and ye sab tentpoles that time was like that was the thing, right? It was an attraction. It was like the golden golden Dior kind of a thing.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Because and that's what's missing nowadays because none of these studios understand how
एक
to
ही स्टूडियो है
construct.
सर.
You get the point. It's
Yes,
like
yes.
none of these studios understand how to construct an event, and I'm talking
Hmm.
about everybody. I'm talking about
Mhm.
Bollywood. I'm talking about Hollywood. Anything.
Hmm.
None of all these studios want money. None
Hmm.
of these studios know how to make a film that would appropriately be described as an event.
Hmm.
An event which would become
Okay.
yeah.
I
an
was
event,
thinking something like a Mission Impossible or ये सब नहीं, they don't count.
yeah, those are rares, right?
हाँ.
Like those don't come nowadays.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
That's my
True.
whole point.
Mhm.
And those are made by people who have grown up watching these movies and they want
In
to
fact,
create this experience
you
again.
know, weirdly enough,
Hmm.
Oppenheimer is like this
Yeah.
type of event film. जो ये वाली हम बात
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं ना, ये epic films जो
Yeah,
हैं
yeah,
वो
yeah.
Oppenheimer is a little bit like that. That's
Oppenheimer and another movie which another filmmaker made after 20 years, Avatar. So
हाँ.
Mm-hmm.
Or
Avatar.
even like ये Bridge of Spies, which didn't do that well, but these are the sort of, you know, ऐसी types of movies I think are the ones which Chicago, I think you can see a sort of lineage.
Sort of similarity.
Like you
हाँ,
can
I
see them
that,
passed
yeah.
on in those type of.
But I
Anyways.
think also ये भी सही है कि I think Chicago is different from all the traditional historical epics in a way. It's more like if somebody has the internet on at this moment, I would like for them to search a movie called Cavalcade. 1930
Cavalcade.
Cavalcade.
Sanjeet, you're on it.
1930s. So if you read
1933.
1933, right? It
Hmm.
won the Oscar, if I'm not wrong. So yeah. So Cavalcade is one of the first of these movies. You see the construction of that movie. It's about a wealthy family, okay, who experiences what is occurring outside the political turmoils and everything
Got it,
else.
got it. Hmm.
This movie was made in the 30s. This is a pretty recurring sort of a trope by studios, to make all the events that is occurring outside your house, outside your world, a tad bit palatable. But also to show it through versions of your life which you can never hope to attain. I'm sounding very cynical here, but it's true.
Surprise.
It's like they are showing it to the ultra wealthy people.
Yeah.
And being ultra wealthy at that point in time was aspirational. Nowadays it's cynical. Nowadays it's eat the rich. At that point it was become the rich.
इसमें become the rich कहाँ है?
I'm not talking about in the movie. I'm talking about the time, the sentiment
Okay.
at that time. So that is why Cavalcade and all these movies and Zhivago is kind of following that sentiment. Kind of. Yeah. Since it is Lean also, Lean is also commenting on, Russian society ka fall because communism was coming in and everything. Since it is Lean, he's commenting on it.
Yeah.
But that is the lineage which Zhivago is following.
Yeah. But chalo, ab everyone with their thoughts on the film. Amartya, you go last because you will do the.
What? I will destroy the movie?
Yes. But yes, Sanket, go ahead. Yeah.
हाँ, जैसे कि मैं देख रहा था, मैंने गए साल 2022 में देखी थी। लाइक मुझे काफी अच्छी लगी थी, लाइक अनलाइक यू गाइस, अनलाइक अमर्त्य।
Yes.
थैंक यू।
Yes.
उन दोनों को इतना भी मत करो।
नो, सो मुझे काफी ग्रैंड जैसे लगी थी, लाइक
Hmm.
आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट इट फ्रॉम डेविड लीन फिल्म्स।
Hmm.
वैसे देखो, इसमें भी हिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छा रोल प्ले करता है कि कैसे शुरुआत में वी आर गेटिंग टू सी
End of World War, right? I think.
वर्ल्ड वॉर वन,
World War
करेक्ट।
One,
One.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Yes.
पहला
Yeah.
विश्व युद्ध
Yeah.
में देखने को मिलता है, और फिर वहां
Because
पे
it's the SARS, right? Because it's
सार
Russian
सार
SARS
ऑफ
was
रशिया,
involved.
करेक्ट।
Yeah.
और
Yeah.
वो मतलब
हम्म,
उनका भी, उन लोग भी कैसे उस जार की सीक्रेट पुलिस रहती है, वो
Yes.
भी कैसे लाइक जो नॉर्मल पब्लिक है उन पे जुल्म करती है कि
Yes.
ऐसे कम्युनिज्म के जो चर्चा करते हैं या ऐसे
हाँ.
कुछ पैम्पलेट्स बांटते हैं, तो उन लोग को
तो
भी
इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है ना, आई थिंक वर्ल्ड वॉर का एंड और रशियन रेवोल्यूशन का स्टार्ट, आई थिंक दैट वहां से
हाँ,
Civil War,
पिक्चर आई
yeah,
थिंक
एंड नहीं रहता तभी, एक्चुअली काफी लाइक वो चल रहा रहता है, और
Yes.
एंड एज इन जब भी उन लोग फ्रंट लाइंस में जब भी रहते हैं,
Yes.
तो वो काइंड ऑफ जब भी एंड रहता है वैसे।
Yes. Yes.
लेकिन लाइक कैसे वहां पे, अभी ये कितना हद तक ये सच है मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन एलेक गिनेस का कैरेक्टर कैसे जस्ट वो जाता है जस्ट टू डिस्ट्रॉय, मतलब वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 में उनकी हार होना, लाइक रशिया की हार होना, कम्युनिज्म इन रशिया की जीत है, कि कैसे लाइक कम्युनिज्म का like the rise of
Establishing.
communism
Yeah,
that
yeah.
happened.
I think the general idea is true though. I don't know how much of the specifics is true.
Hmm.
I kind of think it's not that true, but the general idea is true because it's like it's the same thing, right? It's like, what are you doing when you are under an authority which you don't like? Because
In both scenarios, no, like
in both scenarios,
हाँ,
yeah.
it's like flipping. पहले
It's like-
first it's the SARS who are the villains,
Yeah.
quote unquote villains. उसके बाद from
The-
Hollywood का
from Hollywood
perspective,
standpoint,
of course,
and yeah, that is
yeah,
the
which
thing,
is a
right?
good caveat to add.
Yeah, of course.
The communists are the villains, and in a sense, Zhivago is the middle person in all this.
Yeah, he's the, yeah.
I'm going to
he's-
point something out.
Always
here. People are
bewildered.
going to kill me. People are going to
बोलो
kill
बोलो.
me.
But
Zhivago
actually,
is Aditya Chopra. Zhivago is
Zhivago is
Aditya
Aditya
Chopra.
Chopra.
The ultimate compromiser individual who becomes lauded as a genius.
Anyways, बोलो संकेत, what will you say?
Actually,
You went somewhere else only. That's a
actually ये
different
ये
train.
viewing में मुझे
प्लेन
एक
नहीं, अलग
चीज
ट्रैक ही चल रहा है.
नहीं, ये व्यूइंग में मुझे एक चीज थोड़ी खटकी मुझे,
हम्म.
पता नहीं क्या, लेकिन ये इतना बड़ा फकअप आई थिंक मैं बोलूंगा कि पहले शुरुआत में बोलती है कि वो छोटी लड़की ही इज योर ब्रदर, और फिर जाके बड़ा हो जाता है तो यार ये क्या, इससे शादी, ये क्या
वो थोड़ा नहीं, वो I think, but they are not blood related, to be honest.
I know ब्लड रिलेटेड
Yeah.
नहीं है, लेकिन
Yeah.
तुम शुरुआत में अगर दिखा रहे हो तो तुम
हाँ,
कुछ
but अच्छा नहीं, I didn't, I thought I know what you're saying, but I didn't think much of it. I was just like कि वो बचपन में बहुत चीजें बोलते हैं लोग, like that type का, and then बड़े होके of course you whatever different.
Things changed. No?
I know, but एक फिल्म है और
People were much more liberal back then. People were liberal about this sort of stuff. People were not liberal about everything else.
नहीं, but it kind of goes into the whole idea of, see, part of ये film ऐसी है कि you can see it in a way where you can see it as much a critique of the Tsar and like the sort of, upper class Russians, of which Zhivago was also a part. He was part of that society. He was part of that society with Tonya. Both of them are children of people belonging to that. And I think one of my favorite sections, apart from the train section, which we'll get to, is the opening stuff before Yuri and Lara actually meet. Usme the setup mein, they're trying to basically position these characters
Wait,
as
you
stuck
like
between. I think it's
you
because
like the entire
First moment
opening,
is when
the opening the entire segment, like the fact that they are in the Tsar Russia, the rich people and all that stuff.
but setup
I
कैसे
like
करेगा
that.
फिर otherwise?
I like setup. I
No,
like
no,
the
I'm
setup quite a bit.
No, I'm not talking. Yeah, that's what I'm
I'll tell
asking.
you why I like the setup. I like the setup because I thought in their own way, they were positioning these two characters, Yuri and Lara, as being middle people in a lot of different factions in society. So like
Undecided.
Lara is between two affairs, one with the communists and one
Pasha
with
and the
Pasha. And I mean, affair, I don't know is the correct word for Komarovsky. It's somewhere between
It's
affair.
an affair. It's an affair.
No, I think it's somewhere between an affair and the R word. So
That
It
happens
is, it is.
later. That happens later.
but
No, but
whatever.
it's kind of assault,
Between
no,
those.
technically.
Yeah,
It
it
is-
is.
I
that.
think
assault.
there are hints that she likes him, but there's also more hints that he's very forceful.
I think the word we both are looking for is groovy.
Yes, but see, my point is she is in between those two.
Yes.
This guy is sort of,
and
he's a physician slash poet, which is something which is there throughout. So he's like
opposites.
Yeah.
opposite things. And I think there's lovely things Lean does with outdoor and indoor. Ki outdoor mein, there's always like the rich people and they're sort of having their own thing. High and low bhi hai thoda in that sense. Like
Mhm.
again, direction magnificent in all that sense.
Direction is fantastic. It's
Mhm.
And I love-
fantastic.
I also love the scene where there's lots of parallels in this film. Huh? I love actually spotting all this stuff. So I was thinking ki first time he sees
There's a Lawrence of Arabia type of a match cut also in this, in which they are lighting the candle suddenly shifts and they're inside the window. That match shot is gorgeous. That
Yeah.
match shot. It's like
When does it come?
it comes in the first half only. When
Can't remember. Never mind.
that is before Yuri's call. Yuri's called by his mentor
the
for
Huh.
the patient that is her mother.
The mother.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but see,
Mm.
my point is, I love the way the film sets up the fact that this romance is in the air already between these two. Like to me, that is sort of like hinting at the fact that these two people will collide at some. Of course,
But that,
they do.
yeah,
but
but
like,
that is
yes.
that is also my issue. Like
Okay.
the film is hinting at it, you understand, but I never really got it from the characters themselves, especially from Lara.
वो problem है बाद में.
That
I
is
think.
That is true. Yeah,
yeah,
we'll come to that later.
from Lara, I never got.
हाँ,
From
I understand.
Yuri, I got.
Omar
just the
Sharif has
purest-
very glycerin-inducing eyes. बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yes, बहुत ज़्यादा,
I
बहुत
was
ज़्यादा ही हो
like,
गया।
I
He's
was
like-
like,
he-
you
he
can
was
see
like-
the glycerine almost. I was like, काफी है.
But the
I-
melodrama is very inherent. I feel he's
it
just
is.
punctuating
No, but
all
that
those
is
moments a
Lean,
little
but
much.
that is Lean also,
more.
right?
हाँ,
Lean in his earlier movies, Lean always made melodrama. Brief
हाँ.
Encounter, if I'm not wrong, is kind of sort of melodrama anyway.
Yeah.
So it's like I understand the melodrama, but like I get it. Omar Sharif, you have soulful eyes. Soulful मतलब ये नहीं कि glycerin पूरा बीच में waterfall की तरह बन
हाँ, वो
जाता है।
है, हाँ, yeah.
Yeah.
So नहीं, so Sanjeet, what did you think? Sanket is busy.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
2
Yeah.
seconds.
I loved it too.
Yeah.
But I think it took me a little longer to get into the film
Okay.
because of the opening and the setting and everything. I thought it was
Yeah.
a little too slow.
Hmm.
Slow as in like it's not a criticism, but I feel
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was just probably in a
The
different
narrative framework is a bit odd also. Like they start in the present. So like it needs to sort of, you
and
need
then
to
it
go
goes
through that.
back
Yes.
and everything.
Yeah.
And then and I didn't know who my protagonist and the
Yes.
Yes.
and her lover
That
is
is a
going to be
problem. Yeah,
initially.
that was a big problem.
So I was a little confused. What is the dynamic? Because I started looking for that from the beginning because all I knew about the film was it's an epic romance thing.
Yeah.
Set amongst
set
with
amongst
the
the
background of
Russian Revolution. Yeah.
Russian
Yeah.
Revolution, about which I have no idea about. I mean, I
Mhm.
haven't read about it specifically, except like the basic idea of
Mota
of
jo
what
bhi,
it
हाँ.
is.
Hmm.
Mota mota,
I
yeah.
also have a very surface level idea of the revolution anyway. All I know is that it's very complex. The entire
but
It is very
that-
complex.
very
That's-
But that I didn't expect from the film as I went in only. I was like, Hollywoodization, it will compress
No,
and
I get
whatever
the
do that
Hollywood.
stuff. Yeah.
No,
That is
I
true,
get
but
that.
I still felt it is a little dense. The drama
No, it
felt
is,
to me a
it
little
is.
dense.
Yeah,
Because it is going from X place to Y place, and then Y place, but there's a different drama which takes them to separate
yeah.
places, and then
Yeah.
different dramas. And
Hmm.
I feel like that it's super drama heavy, also in that sense.
Mhm.
Now that we are speaking about it,
Yeah.
and like I get it. It's like that soapy melodrama. It is like full on.
I
in
think-
its
I
like
think
full
Sanjeev-
glory.
I think Sanjeev, for me, I think the movie would have worked. I don't know if you will agree with me on this. But I think the movie would have worked if it was Russia, the movie. You understand? It's like if it was Russia, the movie, the
Mhm.
entirety of Russia का जो हो रहा है, You parallel Russia with any of the characters. I don't need it
Mhm.
to be an epic romance. You understand? I just want Russia the movie. If you can show that to me,
But
I
बहुत
don't even
sprawling नहीं हो जाएगा उसके लिए?
Yes,
नहीं, but
sprawling
I
नहीं है.
feel नहीं, ये तो sprawling है.
But
हाँ.
उसमें इसमें they have like that center, no? Of
हाँ,
like the
है, that
romance
is-
is the center, no?
That is the whole point, right? I don't believe that the
No,
romance
what
is central.
I think
I never
Amartya is saying
believed
is
it.
if you would have paralleled the romance with Russia's struggle,
But
and
वही
Yes.
तो कर रहे हैं.
but I
Not
feel he's
very
going
well.
different places with different dramas. Is that
Yeah.
that's what he's trying to
Okay.
point at.
There are
I felt-
moments which hit. There are moments which hit, and then there are moments which completely fall flat.
Okay. Interesting.
Again, that's what I
one of my favorite things throughout the film is there are so many different sequences which to me were very lovely. I mean, the train sequence has been mentioned, but even the one sequence which stayed with me was, I think, not the first time, but in an interior location, after the war is where
They
Zhivago
meet for the
meets,
first time?
and then there are yellow sunflowers in the
lighting?
background. Like,
Acha, nahi,
yeah.
I thought you were mentioning
No,
the
no, no,
lighting
no,
where
no. Okay,
half
okay.
his face is lit.
It's only, and then it parallels
yeah,
comes
yeah,
later also.
Yeah,
that
those
also
sequences are those sequences are gorgeous. I'm telling you, Eddie Young is a genius.
Yeah.
Eddie Young is a genius.
That sequence where he transitions, where he's writing
Writing the poem and it goes from frost
Poem.
to flowers.
Oh, lovely.
I was like, fantastic.
From
Lovely.
window
And
to
I
jo
was,
wo hota hai,
I was very involved. I was so involved that I thought the film was actually shifted there
हाँ.
until I realized it's fantasy. So I was like, shit, I was with him at that point. Which,
I think
but the thing
इतने
that's
सारे
the
अपन
thing.
पॉइंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि अमर्त्य को ये फिल्म और पसंद आएगी.
No, no,
या
no.
फिर नहीं आएगी.
No.
Amartya's, I think, criticism is coming from
Yeah,
like more in terms of how he's trying to relate with the film
Yeah.
also.
I think
Which I feel. Go ahead.
I think the movie is directorially extremely sound. I'm never going to say the lean is bad here, because guy made Lawrence of Arabia. I'm sorry, whatever you think about this movie, I'm never going to disregard his directorial prowess. It's insane.
नहीं I तो messaged you saying इसके बाद मैं जा रहा हूँ David Lean binge पर.
Don't binge. You are going to be exhausted.
अरे you said this is exhausting. I didn't find it. तो फिर बाद में क्या?
मतलब उसके previous films में नहीं ऐसे दिखती है, right?
I think it is a little exhausting in the beginning.
It is. I mean, it's not perfect. बहुत I think flaws हैं picture में ऐसे, but like I really did like it. Like
No.
I was
My biggest.
moved.
I'm always going to say this. My biggest criticism of the movie is I never bought the romance.
Romance, yeah, which is fair. If you don't buy that, then
I never
उसमें
bought the
काफी
romance, and that is always.
But then it is also about the longing, right? Of how they long for each other, also amongst the drama that is happening in their life, personal lives, and in the country and everything.
Again, I got the longing from Zhivago's side, and even
Not
then
from
that
Lara.
comes not from Lara. Again, that
But then the
comes to a
perspective.
friend. Again, that comes.
But
to a
then
friend.
that way, it's just the character which isn't like that strong. Technically, if you look at it, right?
Lara's. I also think can I be Julie Christie's makeup is distracting.
Julie
She's
Christie herself is
Too
distracting.
white.
No, it's too
Like,
done
not
up,
too
and
white,
again,
but like-
you can see the tears falling
Artifice.
down, which are which is my
I
little
will
bit.
say, I will say
थोड़ी
the
ज़्यादा
person,
pretty है,
yeah,
is
yeah,
my
I will
point.
say, I will say the person who actually
पूरी
interests
picture.
Geraldine Chaplin,
Tonya.
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 She is so good in this movie.
हाँ.
She's so good in this movie, and of course, what's the name of that
And
actor?
the
who
Rod
played-
character is
Steiger.
also very complex also.
No,
technically.
no,
yes, Alec Guinness. No.
No, the father who, Tonya's father, who's the
Yes,
actor?
yeah, I forgot. I have not noted that down. I've
Yeah,
just
yeah,
noted
yeah.
down 4 people.
The
yes.
supporting cast is insanely strong in this.
Yeah.
Insane. Rod Steiger is so good.
Even
Rod
एक
Steiger's very.
सीन में ही आता है ये एक इंसान क्लाउस किंस्की, like
Oh yeah,
वो
Klaus
आ
Kinski in
जाता है.
this.
Klaus
Yes,
Kinski's
yes.
cameo is great. I was
Yeah.
like,
आ जाता
wow.
है.
Yeah.
मतलब क्या
Werner
वो
Herzog
इंसान-
fans will know this, but yes.
लेकिन वो इंसान यार जो बात करता है यार कि
हाँ.
तुम सब यहाँ पे भेड़िया जैसे हो, मैं ही एक इंसान हूँ कि जो आजाद हूँ. मतलब वो
That
क्या
was also a very good
Yeah.
sequence. Again, one of my stuff
We
that
are going to- we are going to describe- we are-
voiceover. Like I was like,
Yeah, we have
interesting.
to talk about the train sequence in detail because that is one exquisite sequence.
It reminded me of silent early cinema a little bit. Like just तरीके से they use it as a way of moving from one place to another. I could have this is my slow cinema take also, but like I could have happily sat in that and seen like the whole of Russia passed through from
You
whatever
know
lens
what?
they're
You know
looking
what?
at.
If that was the movie after from that point on, I would have actually
Hmm.
loved it more.
Hmm.
Honestly, that
Mhm.
sequence impressed the hell out of me. It was like so good.
Hmm.
And then immediately, then the farm thing. Anyway, you continue.
You
Bolo
know
Sanjay,
who else it reminded me of, like
Both.
in terms of like
Mhm.
how moving from place to place. I
Hmm.
mean, modern day it's Spielberg who does like moving action from place
Mhm.
to
Yeah,
place.
yeah, yeah.
But Hitchcock was also very, very good at all of that.
Interesting. Hmm.
कौन सा
If he
movie
when he
Hitchcock का?
how he
कौन सा movie?
moved like from his 50s 60s only.
Do not
Like
say
I,
birds.
no,
We
I'm
are
not
not
talking about
talking
birds at
about
all.
birds.
Birds was like a little later. Like I'm talking
Yeah.
like most
History.
okay 50s more specifically that way.
Yeah.
North by Northwest और वो
North by
Vertigo वाला
Northwest
जो
also.
How he would
Strangers on a
move the
Train.
characters from place to
Hmm.
place, and again coming back to the word that I've used quite a lot, sequences.
Hmm.
How he would channel those ideas
Hmm.
through the character by putting that character in a certain situation.
I actually think what you're getting at
The
is
feeling is different, but
yeah.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, I
but what
get
you're getting at, I think a trend, at least this is what I noticed. This begins from the sequence with his mom, when his mom passes away, Yuri's.
yes.
And
Yeah.
you have this
Hmm.
thing where the tonality of the scene goes from being very real, very harsh, very cold, to being
Mhm.
very musical, very poetic, and I think all the scenes in the film have that same sense of,
Some might say it's very Russian.
yes, possible. Yes,
Mhm.
actually, that's not untrue. But
Yeah.
yes, wo feeling was there in most scenes, and that's because of the music, I think, which recurs again
Why
and
would you say
again
that
throughout.
because it's Russian? What is the context?
Because if I'm not mistaken, quite a lot of Russian literature actually deals with shifting tonalities very well.
Mm.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
extreme harsh,
But
extreme whimsy, extreme harsh.
but that's even the weather, na, in this film is
Exactly.
like that. It's
Cold,
like
yeah,
cold,
yeah.
cold and spring, cold and spring, cold and spring. It keeps on sort of all pushing back and
The
forth
ending
between.
is cold again, right? When he's at the house and it's covered with
No, they come
snow.
to the place. No, they come back to Moscow, I think, in the end, and
Come back to
then
Moscow, yes, but after that,
before
okay, I don't know.
when he leaves them is in like proper freezing cold. Like everything's frozen, everything's
Frozen. Yeah,
nothing,
that's what I'm saying.
nothing is sort of alive in that place.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
feels
yeah.
very
Also,
like
also genuinely in the end, I really sympathize with Rod Steiger's character because I felt this frustration. भाई ये बंदा सुन क्यों नहीं रहा है? तू जा ना भाई क्या
सुन
है?
तो लिया उसने.
No, but also it's like I understand that you love Russia. You know, I get it, but it's like I get it, but I also never got it.
Yes, I understand what you mean.
Yeah, I
Well,
never
but
got
but
that
I
part.
actually liked how थोड़ा passive उसका character है, right? Like I didn't mind that. I thought it fit with his character कि वो थोड़ा, he always feels like he wants to join like the Red Army, but then he doesn't want to. He wants to, doesn't
Because
want to.
of his
Like
loyalty.
they're always sort of like between that thing. So that's what I
swinging.
like.
Yeah.
No, but he's loyal towards an ideal. My problem is ideal क्या ideal? Is it his version of an ideal Russia?
I feel his ideal is surviving.
His ideal is I think honestly he's striving for something personal and internal, which I
Yeah.
think the society at that point isn't. Right, that is his
That is why
conflict.
poems
I
are
feel.
being burned. That is why poems are being
His
burned.
poems are being burned because he's writing something super personal, right? Like people think if he's writing personal, it's anti-communist in
Yeah.
in a sense. And I think the film
You
and
hit the nail. Individualism
hit the nail to Sir Ben-Hur mein hai.
individualism won't work. Individualism won't work in place of collectivism, which again is very strange considering that socialism is about giving the workers the rights.
Exactly, yeah.
Hmm.
No,
It's
but I
very
think that's what makes his character very compelling because he is sort of the middle. He kind of is
yeah,
flitting
for
about.
you, you found it compelling. I think it's because Omar Sharif's passive acting, maybe.
Fair enough.
Maybe his acting is so passive. I never found it compelling per se. I think by the end I found it irritating.
Fair enough.
आप लोग को ऐसा कुछ लगा कि मतलब सब पूरा प्राइमरी कास्ट पूरा ब्रिटिश है, जैसे एलेक गिनेस, जूली क्रिस्टी, लेकिन ये एक बंदा है जो जस्ट बिकॉज लाइक वहां पे लाइक
वो भी रशियन का है,
नहीं, उमर शरीफ
इजिप्शियन
Omar Sharif is British and Egyptian.
इजिप्शियन प्राइमरी है लेकिन
नहीं but
मतलब
see हाँ नहीं but I think
वो
it works. I mean it works as in like starting में see the problem is अब world cinema when once you've seen it वो थोड़ा आपको boundary एक cross करनी पड़ती है कि ये सब believable कैसे
And
लगेगा right
also,
because
and also you need to remember कि directors work with their favored people. So
हाँ,
for Lean used Omar Sharif in I think Lawrence.
Lawrence right yeah
Yeah, and from then Lean has
contract भी हो सकता है अब तो actually that time पे तो contracts सब खत्म हो गए थे like it wasn't
yeah.
actors free
So
or
Lean's equation with Sharif I think was good enough that
got
he
it.
cast him in the lead.
Mhm.
Alec Guinness के साथ Lean का तो मतलब partnership ही है more or less. I think he has been in most of his films.
और इवन मतलब उमर शरीफ मैंने वो जो एक डायरेक्टर्स नहीं सॉरी ये एक्टर्स कमेंट्री था ये प्रिंट में मैंने जो देख रहा था डॉक्टर शिवागो का उसमें वो बोल रहे थे कि मैं पहले टॉम कोटनी के रोल के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा था सिंस मतलब मैंने लॉरेंस ऑफ अरेबिया में भी छोटा रोल किया था सो टॉम कोटनी का रोल भी इसमें छोटा है तो मैं समझा कि उसके लिए था और फिर जाके डेविड लीन ने बोला कि नहीं तुझे मैं डॉक्टर जिवागो का रोल जो टिटुलर कैरेक्टर है उसका रोल के लिए मैं इतना तुझे अप्रोच कर रहा हूँ वो खुद भी हैरान हो गए थे वैसा था सो लाइक मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा था कि लाइक ये फिल्म खुद इंग्लिश में है इट्स अबाउट रशियन और समथिंग लाइक दैट लाइक
नहीं बट आई थिंक वो ज्यादा लगता अगर वो लोग रशियन एक्सेंट्स ट्राई करते
Yeah, the
वो जो
English
नहीं कर
accents,
then
the English accents,
like,
the English accents are very noticeable, especially Guinness.
नहीं but
Like-
everyone is consistent no like it is
Yeah.
it's not
Consistent.
like
Yeah, then it's
ऐसा
a
नहीं
different
है
world.
but I
it's
think
not-
when you
it's like
try the
consist-
Russian accent तब जाके लगता है कि
No, everybody is
whatever.
consistent. Everybody is consistent. The principal cast is consistent.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
the other extras and everybody, they are not consistent. They are talking in quote unquote Russian accents. The
But
Arey,
I don't
abhi
think-
Amartya will experience this with Bengali very soon.
Oh, I know. Believe me, I know.
नहीं but ये
I think-
this is I know this is a different type of movie and I'm sorry I'm bringing Terrence Malick again into this but this happened
No, don't
a
be
little
sorry.
Don't be
नहीं
sorry.
problem नहीं I'm saying there was a problem in a film like A Hidden Life which
Hidden Life.
is about a pacifist like he's German but the good Germans in that speak English and the bad Germans speak German and usme I thought that was very bad like that was a very poor decision
Yeah.
as a filmmaker to have the principal cast speak in English and then rest everyone speak in German it just
But
like
there's also a little bit about practicality, no? I haven't seen the film, but like I'm assuming what problems could have been like getting those
Terrence
actors also
Malick
who
की
could
picture
speak that way,
चलती
right?
नहीं है
That's
Sanjeev,
exactly
so it
my
doesn't
point.
make a
So the
difference
actors he could afford could
Huh.
only speak in a certain way, right? That
he
could
took
probably one
Austrian
of the
actors
reasons.
no
He took. I
Huh.
don't know. I'm saying.
लेकिन
I'm
No, no, no,
assuming,
I-
but I'm saying
ब्रूनो
there could be
ग्रांस भी थे
practicality issues.
और ब्रूनो ग्रांस खुद जर्मन फ्रेंच इंग्लिश तीनों
Bruno
बात
Grant
yeah
is
बात
वो
German.
करते थे
सब
लेकिन
no it was his decision to make them speak English and I think that's a poor decision in the context of the film is my point
Correct.
देख लो ये मेरा प्रूविंग पॉइंट कि मैं हर चीज टेरेंस वाले की नहीं अच्छी लगती
नहीं लेकिन एक चीज मुझे इसमें
नहीं,
काफी अच्छी लगी थी कि उन्होंने सबने इंग्लिश ही बोली थी पूरे लाइक शुरुआत
Yeah.
से लेके अंत तक और वो
Hmm.
होता ना कि लाइक मेक्सिकन अगर कोई लाइक ये एक फिल्म आई थी मैंने देखी थी पिक्सार की एक फिल्म थी मैं नाम
कोको
कोको करेक्ट कोको उसमें बहुत बार सेन्योर ग्रासियास मतलब ये सब बोल रहे थे एक
आधा अधूरा
अगर
basically.
करेक्ट आधा अधूरा ये भी बोल रहा आधा अधूरा वो भी
अभी अमरत्या
नहीं
चलेगा
मैच
ना उड़ी
होता
बाबा
बॉस
करके.
सॉरी
I'm not going there, Sanjeev. Believe me, I'm not.
आपने जो बोला
Khela
मुझे नहीं
Hobe
पता
and
था।
all that
मैंने
nonsense.
बोला अभी अमरत्या झेलेगा ना वो बंगाली वाला जो उसको
Khela Hobe and all that. Khela Hobe and all that.
तो
nonsense.
वही
खेला
वो
होबे.
Yeah.
चीज मुझे हजम नहीं होती कि तुम्हारा
I completely
वाला-
agree, Sanket. I completely agree because I'm going to experience that too.
हाँ
27th जुलाई को
Yes.
Like, वो एक अभी जैसे पीकू था उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन हाँ तुम खोरो मतलब जो
No, but
I'm sorry,
Piku, I have a counter argument for
justification I think because they're Delhi residents no
They're Delhiites. They're Delhi born Bengalis.
Okay.
तो
So-
उनका लाइक मिक्स होता ही होगा
थोड़ा
direct
accent
का।
है.
ओके ठीक है लेकिन
Yeah.
लाइक
You prefer the
consistency remains, no?
Yeah, consistency
See,
remains.
it's-
That's
Consistency is more important कि तुम start कैसे करते हो और खत्म कैसे करते हो.
खत्म,
अभी
हाँ.
अगर जैसे तू if I'll give you a very bad example but it's an example like अभी अक्षय कुमार को लेकर जो उसकी मूवी आई थी गोल्ड उसमें स्टार्टिंग में वो कैसे चालू करते हैं और बीच में पंजाबी कैसे घुसेड़ता है that is very obvious. and I was like, this is not consistent.
हाँ
But if you see
I mean,
Devdas, उसमें उनका consistent है, जैसे वो लोगों ने
ऐसा
बोलना
ना
चाहते थे.
कि तुम्हारा टारगेट
Bollywood
ऑडियंस
movies are currently only existing for us to bring in examples of what not to do in movies. At this
Dr.
point.
Zhivago, sir. We can go back to Dr. Zhivago.
नो बट मैं जैसे कि डॉक्टर शिवागो की वही बोल रहा था कि कैसे ये फिल्म अच्छी थी फॉर द लैंग्वेज एज वेल कि उनका टारगेट ऑडियंस ही इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस था वैसे था. सो उन्होंने उनको केटर किया कि पूरा फिल्म इंग्लिश में शूट करे और वैसे ही किया था. और आगे जाके और भी फिल्म्स ने उनकी लाइक डॉक्टर शिवागो का एग्जांपल पकड़ा था. जैसे गांधी है तो पूरे भारत में ही सेट है वैसे, लेकिन पूरी
वो तो
इंग्लिश में ही
वो
बनाई गई थी
कॉलोनाइजेशन के
वैसे.
टाइम पे भी है. सो आई एम गेसिंग वो तो आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप, बट आई गेट योर पॉइंट. आप जो बोल रहे हो
लाइक
मुझे
वो
समझ
पूरी
आया.
इंग्लिश में सेट पूरी लाइक दिखाई गई थी, शूट भी की गई थी वैसे. सो आई लाइक मुझे कुछ तकलीफ नहीं हुआ गांधी वॉचिंग इन इंग्लिश वैसे, क्योंकि वो केटर करती है इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस के लिए वैसे. प्रॉब्लम वहां पे होता है जब फिल्म जैसे जैसे कोको मैं बता रहा था कि कोको कैसे तुम आधा थोड़ा स्पेनिश भी बोल रहे हो लेकिन फिर मोस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश रख रहे हो, जो मुझे नहीं पता चलता बॉस कि
ओके.
भाई.
सो
Yes,
ये बाद में करेंगे डिस्कस. आई थिंक दिस इज अ बिगर टॉपिक टू डिस्कस, बट
That's a bigger
बिकॉज आई
topic
वाज
to
सेइंग
discuss.
कि मैं बिकॉज यू गिविंग दिस एग्जांपल आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मैं आधी हिंदी आधी इंग्लिश में बहुत बार बोलता हूँ, इसीलिए दैट वे. तो लाइक
Okay.
आधा
Oh, but-
आधा आई थिंक हम लोगों का सबका काफी नहीं हो जाता लैंग्वेज में. आई एम गेसिंग वो लोग वो कोशिश कर रहे होंगे. एनीवेज
But in India,
doesn't
English
matter.
is a different, like it's more
नहीं,
first
मैक्सिकन
language.
में you don't think people will do half Spanish half English sometimes?
मैंने पेड्रो अल्मोदोवर की फिल्म्स में कभी नोटिस
But
नहीं किया.
no,
That's
but that's a different
और-
cinema. That's a different cinema. I think
Correct.
the way for people for whom Coco was made was a different set of audience also, no?
अरे
हाँ,
पेड्रो
मैं-
अल्मोदोवार के
technically if you
पीछे,
look at
अरे
it.
पेड्रो अल्मोदोवार के पीछे क्यों जा रहा है? तमिल मूवीज या मलयालम मूवीज ही देख लो.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो डॉक्टर शिवागो में और कुछ?
डॉक्टर शिवा को सो वही था कि इट आल्सो पेव्ड द वे टू लाइक शोज लाइक चेर्नोबिल जो
हाँ यार.
इट्स आल्सो सेट इन सोवियत यूनियन, कैसे कि वहां पे भी ब्रिटिश एक्टर्स यूज किए गए थे.
Did they do accents in that? They did, right? Or no?
They did.
Chernobyl.
Kind
I
of,
think
yeah,
they
yeah, they did, they
They
did,
kinda did.
kinda did.
कोई
But I
हाँ.
think the storytelling was much more stronger in that, so we didn't
Yes,
bother.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, Mazin surprisingly was a very good quote storyteller.
Mm-hmm.
सो यस जस्ट एक बहुत अच्छा टेक अवे था इसमें भी कि कैसे ग्रैंड सब चीजें बताई गई थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग भी. मैंने काफी सुना था कि ये फिल्म को रशिया में ऑब्वियसली बनाने के लिए राइट्स नहीं मिला था. नहीं, रशिया में बनाने के लिए नहीं था, स्पेन में पूरी फिल्म का.
Fascist Spain में.
Which is again weird.
I know.
Yes, so
Why
वहाँ पे
weird? It's because I think a lot of people who watch it can get the impression कि fascism से ज्यादा communism को गाली दे रहे हैं ना. So like I mean like the picture is because SAR, I know you said कि SAR का violence दिखाते हैं, but SAR को कभी नहीं दिखाते. like SAR,
Never,
बल्कि
yeah.
यहाँ पे communism में they find a face no to blame. Like who blame नहीं, but like they make him a sort of villain in some senses.
नहीं, क्योंकि
So-
एक्चुअली करते हैं, क्योंकि एक सीन में ऐसा होता है कि जब भी वहां पे उन लोग गांव में वहां पे रहते हैं और अखबार
अच्छा,
आता है और
yes,
सब
yes,
बोलते
yes.
हैं कि भाई जार को मतलब फांसी पे चढ़ा गया था, लाइक उनको मार दिया
बट फिर
गया.
वही लोग उसका घर डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं ना, जिवागो का, जब वो अपने घर जाता है. तो लाइक बहुत वो ट्रिकी एरिया में है आई थिंक, बिकॉज हॉलीवुड कभी कम्युनिज्म को पब्लिसाइज नहीं करेगा. 1965 में तो 100% नहीं करेगा.
Yeah, but that's the thing, right? It's like then the question arises कि इस material के ऊपर मूवी बनाया क्या? That is number one. The answer is because I wanted to. Because I am a director, I want to tell this story. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool, good only.
But the story is very interesting to tell, no? Technically.
Yeah, the story is also interesting to tell. So cool, good only. But then when you are getting a US production involved in this, it's mandatory almost that this is going to get somewhat or the other, there is going to be a sort of a compromise anyway.
Of course.
Yeah.
उस टाइम
So,
अभी का
उस time-
अभी भी होएगा ही, to be very
अभी
honest.
का होएगा ही, but it's
हाँ,
like,
but like उस टाइम भी.
yeah. But-
इवन यहाँ पे इस फिल्म को काफी प्रेज भी मिला था
रशिया में?
नहीं, यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे ओके.
यस भारत में
तो
कि-
अपने अभी बनाई है ना पैसेज टू इंडिया.
हाँ
हाँ, जिसमें एलेक
His
गिनेस
wife
has
was
brown
Indian,
face,
one of his
जिसमें
wives,
एलेक
David
गिनेस
Leeds.
Alec Guinness
Okay.
has brown face and he is voicing a Maharashtrian.
Right.
Yes, lovely.
नहीं लेकिन
Let's
यहाँ
go there.
पे
Let's go there. Why not?
मैंने नहीं देखी है पैसेज टू इंडिया।
I'm very curious. I'm very
हाँ,
curious.
मैं भी एक्चुअली
Even though it might be terrible, I'm very curious.
लेकिन मुझे देखनी है वो भी डेविड
हाँ.
लिंच की वजह से। लेकिन
हम्म.
मैं जस्ट वही बोला कि यहाँ पे काफी फेमस रही थी ये सारी
Okay.
फिल्म्स, हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन और हिस्टोरिकल एपिक फिल्म्स, जैसे
Emotion पे war and like war का backdrop और emotion and वो सब I
ट्रू,
think
बट
similar
एट द
वो उस
एंड
पे आ जाता है.
सर, एट द एंड ये इंग्लिश फिल्म है और इंग्लिश फिल्म को
हम्म.
यहाँ पे इतना सक्सेस मिलना
उस
क्वाइट
टाइम पे
अमेजिंग था
स्पेशली you
उस
mean, yeah.
टाइम पे, क्योंकि
हम्म.
मतलब यहाँ पे
Hmm.
ये काइंड ऑफ प्री मल्टीप्लेक्स एरा है जहाँ पे रीरन्स हो रहे थे। और मैंने जैसे कि मनीष से बात की थी, मेरे मेरे एक दोस्त है, सो उनसे बात की थी, वो बोल रहे थे कि यहाँ पे 90s में कितने सारे रीरन्स होते थे, जैसे स्मॉल टाउन्स में, लखनऊ, बरेली, रायपुर, मतलब ऐसे सारे जगह में। तो काफी लोग आते थे देखने के लिए और काफी फेमस होती थी और काफी हर 1-2 साल में इन ऐसे सब फिल्म्स के री रिलीज होते थे, नॉट जस्ट लाइक इवन हॉलीवुड भी और इवन बॉलीवुड भी, जैसे शोले वगैरह सब होते थे। तो लोग, नई जनरेशन है, नई पीढ़ी है, तो वो कैसे देखेगी ये सारे फिल्म्स? तो लाइक ऑब्वियसली टीवी
अब कोई नहीं
इतना
देखेगा सर ये.
नहीं, टीवी उस जमाने में काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा लग्जरी हुआ करता था
Yeah.
लोगों
Yeah,
के लिए,
yeah, yeah.
स्पेशली इन इंडिया, नॉट ऑब्वियसली हॉलीवुड का मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन यहाँ पे लग्जरी हुआ
हॉलीवुड में तो
करता
टीवी बिकेम द इंसाइटिंग इंसिडेंट जिसके लिए एपिक्स बनाया हुआ है।
जिसके लिए बना ना
हाँ.
एपिक बनना
बट
चालू किया है.
90s में वो चीजें मैं बोल रहा था कि लाइक
हम्म.
रीरन्स वगैरह का जमाना
Yes,
था, तो
yes.
रीरन्स कैसे चलते
Reruns I
थे
think
वहाँ पे।
पहले भी चालू हो गए थे संकेत, not इन पिक्चरों के नहीं, but of course ये बाद में गए होंगे of course.
Yeah, other
करेक्ट
ones,
करेक्ट।
yeah.
और लाइक मैंने जैसे वही उनसे बात की तो वो बोलते थे कि यार ऐसी ये सब फिल्म्स के कैसेट्स जो होते थे
VHS
वो
I
मिलना
think,
बहुत
right?
मुश्किल, VHS कैसेट मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होते थे और काफी हद तक मतलब बोलते ना ऑन डिमांड रहते थे, काफी हफ्तों महीनों तक ये ऑन डिमांड रहते थे यहाँ पे जब ये आते थे तभी। सो जुरासिक पार्क जैसे फिल्म्स ने थोड़ा गेम बदला, लेकिन तब तक ये इन इट्स ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज चलती थी। जुरासिक पार्क ऐसी फिल्म थी जो डब होके यहाँ पे काफी फेमस हुई थी, और इवन we can
I remember
like
Star Wars and Superman and were also like pretty popular in the 80s.
Yeah,
when
yeah.
they-
Apparently,
Because my father told me stories how he used to go and watch those.
सर
movies.
मैंने तो कुछ नहीं देखा, मैंने तो शाहरुख खान देखा है
मैं
अपने
अपनी
बचपन
बात
में.
भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार, मैं
अच्छा
पापा की
ओके
बात
हाँ
कर रहा हूँ.
सॉरी.
नहीं, और obviously we have to bring this one film as well ये डिस्कशन में, जो कि टाइटैनिक, the ultimate बोलते ना कि सब इंडियंस ने अगर कोई हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स नहीं देखी लेकिन टाइटैनिक जरूर देखी होगी।
मैंने नहीं देखी.
वो भी एक काफी अच्छी हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन फिल्म है। लाइक वैसे सो लाइक ये वो भी एक गेम चेंजर था कि
Of
लोगों
course,
ने
yeah.
उसको डब में तो देखी ही है, वैसे यहाँ पे भारतीय लोग ने कि लाइक अपने ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज में नहीं देखी। लाइक वो भी वो है, फिर जुरासिक पार्क वगैरह वो सब
Of
सारी
course,
फिल्म्स है,
yeah.
वो एक गेम चेंजर थी उस जमाने में वैसे। सो यस, ये मैं वही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि एट द एंड तक ये ऐसी फिल्म अभी तो यार, इन फिल्म का रीरन होना तो बहुत
क्यों
मुश्किल
हम लोग
रहेगा।
अरेंज करवाते हैं रीरन कहीं पे. डेविड लिंच,
हाँ यार,
डॉक्टर जिवागो with
अभी
5
अभी
people in the cinema.
लाइक वही था कि मनीष जैसे बोल रहे थे कि अभी कैसे एक इवेंट रहता
But
है कि
one second.
yes,
Did
yes.
in 2019 Mami have Satan Tango at some point?
सेटन टैंगो का जमाना है सर, डॉक्टर जिवागो का नहीं है.
हुआ
अरे
था
but
7
फिर
घंटे
भी
का,
it's like
2 इंटरवल था,
7 घंटे का.
7 घंटे था,
Sir,
2 इंटरवल भी हुआ था, मजा था।
दो इंटरवल दो, स्नैक्स दो, सब कुछ दो, बाथरूम ब्रेक दो, तब जाके कोई देगा।
लेकिन
या
सिर्फ सोने की
बस
जगह मिल
that's
जाती है सेटन टैंगो में लोगों को इस पे
नहीं,
essentially.
लेकिन भाई मुझे अभी भी याद है 2019 के मामी में मैं गया था और वहां पे
हाँ.
वो ऐसे स्क्रीन में सेटन टैंगो स्क्रीन हुआ था कि पूरा वो क्या वो लग्जरी कौन सा वाला रिक्लाइनर
हाँ
वाला
रिक्लाइनर
वो पूरा स्क्रीन था
सोने ही जाते हैं सर लोग और कुछ नहीं करते।
वैसा था। सो
मैं 5 बार सोया था घर पे देखते देखते।
सो यस मैं वही बोल रहा था कि अभी कैसे पीवीआर ऐसे रीरन्स जैसा करता है, लाइक शोले और ऐसे लाइक ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी की फिल्म्स
या
का नॉस्टैल्जिया रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव वगैरह ऐसा सब होता है। अभी एक इवेंट रहता है, लेकिन उस जमाने में ऐसे इवेंट नहीं था, ये नॉर्मल चीज हुआ
हाँ वो
होती थी।
चेंज हो गई है ना इंडस्ट्री इन
हाँ
मेनी सेंसेस।
एग्जैक्टली। और आई होप
चेंज तो
कि यहाँ पे लाइक हिंदी मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म्स के ऐसे रीरन्स आते तो लाइक मैं खुद अपने लाइक 200-300 रुपए दे के मतलब बेन हर या डॉक्टर जिवागो को आईमैक्स में देखने
बेन हर तो फिर भी आई कैन इमेजिन गेटिंग अ री रिलीज, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। डॉक्टर जिवागो जस्ट फील्स
Jivago
वेरी
तो no chance, yeah.
लॉरेंस ऑफ
No
अरेबिया
chance.
में भी।
Lawrence of Arabia, definitely. Lawrence of Arabia actually gets released. Lawrence
ये
of Arabia
है
is
इवन
another.
But I
इवन
think आजकल trend is more of, not, I'm not sure how much, but more than Hollywood, I feel international cinema का influx ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा, like it's outside of Hollywood. Like no, I'm not like reruns अगर होंगे, like that way I'm asking, because of movie and all that and everything. I don't know. I don't know.
यस बट स्टिल यहाँ पे पुराने जो लोग हैं, लाइक आई थिंक संजीत के पापा
पुराने
जैसे
लोग
अभी,
अच्छा।
लाइक संजीत ने बोला कि मेरे पापा ने कैसे यहाँ पे सुपरमैन के फिल्म्स देखते थे,
Yes,
लाइक
yes, of
दोज
course.
काइंड ऑफ पीपल। और हम जैसे सिनेफाइल जो है कि हम जैसे लोग वो ज्यादा देखने में दिलचस्पी रखेंगे।
भाई वो
Studios और
होगा भी तो
festive-
बॉम्बे और
studios और
दिल्ली में ही
festive-
होगा।
yeah. Studios, festival programmers और
Hmm.
थिएटर ओनर्स, उन लोगों को दो डेमोग्राफिक्स के कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। एक है पुराने लोग और दूसरे है सिनेफाइल्स। कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उन लोगों को, ठीक है।
सर
All they
अपन
want
स्टार्ट
is
करते हैं
money.
ना कल्चर
कुछ नहीं होगा, 1 साल चलेगा फिर हमें बंद करना पड़ेगा।
उस
think-
नोट पे हम लोग।
आई थिंक एक चीज थी बोलनी थी कि यहाँ पे कार्निवल सिनेमाज थी, उन्होंने यहाँ पे एक रखा था ऐसा
हाँ।
रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव जैसा था, गॉडफादर, 2001 अ स्पेस ओडिसी, सब स्क्रीन होती थी। लेकिन
वो 70s का 70s stuff will play
बट
well.
आई डोंट नो, वो मेरे एक दोस्त है, आई वुड से कि प्रिंट अच्छी नहीं होती थी वो।
Oh, okay.
काफी और
It's also about the rights, ठीक है? Because
Exactly.
it's not like कि it's not that easy to get those films and get those reruns. Like जैसे here they do a lot of Lynch reruns. तो I am like कि बाकी क्यों नहीं करते, Scorsese क्यों नहीं करते? Because it's a lot of rights का issue यार. They cannot screen the right print
Studios,
for the right thing.
there are different studios involved, distribution channels
Yep.
involved, और कुछ है।
Distribution channels is the main thing. So it's like a different ball game. It's not like the same thing that
दुबई
you get it
में
all the
उसका रीरन है, नॉट रीरन बट बिल्ड अप टू किलर्स ऑफ द फ्लावर मून, स्कॉर्सेज़ी की काफी पिक्चर दिखा रहे हैं फिर
या
से।
चलो चलते दुबई है।
आओ आओ
खाली सी के
आओ हमारा टिकट कर दो।
हाँ ठीक है, डन। कब की करानी है?
Killers,
यहाँ पे तो होगा आई थिंक कुछ किलर्स
होएगा
ऑफ द
पक्का।
फ्लावर मून का
वो तो स्क्रीनिंग होगा पक्का for
वो तो
sure. It's
होएगा।
coming in cinemas. Yeah, IMAX के साथ
It's
special
coming in
partnership
cinema,
है.
लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो को रखने का कोई तो फायदा होना चाहिए।
Of course.
हाँ, लेकिन मामी में आई थिंक होप सो अगर स्क्रीनिंग होगा तो जाने
चलो
मिलेगा।
इसी नोट पे खत्म।
Yes,
Unless
sir.
anyone has more to say about Dr. Zhivago.
I definitely don't.
Okay, yeah, fine, Amartya. You can be nicer about it.
I am nice about it.
Okay.
I don't understand. I like
Actually,
the
he was
movie.
very
I
reasonable.
don't. Yeah, I'm not angry at all. Believe me.
Surprisingly.
You want me to be angry?
नहीं बाद में,
नहीं।
बाद के लिए रखना हो।
Yes.
चलो ठीक है, thank you so much for listening to this episode. We had great fun talking about these two films. I am going to go on a David Lean binge. Maybe sometimes we'll discuss David Lean on the podcast.
Where can people watch these films? Ben-Hur and Zhivago?
I watched
On
them
Criterion?
on online.
Legally nowhere.
I watched them online.
Legally nowhere.
Ben-Hur will be there somewhere.
No,
हाँ,
they are-
कर- but-
Criterion पे it will be there.
it's not,
क्राइटेरियन
it's
पे दोनों नहीं है, वो MGM
checked.
की हैं यार, कहाँ से क्राइटेरियन
हाँ,
पे देंगे वो
not.
लोग?
I checked.
आसानी
It's not
से।
there. Don't
Okay.
worry.
But
Online,
at the
online
end-
मिल
at the
जाएंगे।
end, please do subscribe to Cinephile Sanket.
Yes,
on
as
YouTube.
you were plug.
हाँ,
Okay, I was
आते-
like, I had
आते-
noted it down. But ठीक है, करो better.
करो plug करो।
करो।
Definitely ये होना ही चाहिए यार। मैं प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो यार।
वो सर ये यहाँ पे ये दिखाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। वो
कोई फायदा नहीं है, कोई दिख नहीं रहा है।
No, it's okay.
No,
like,
but
yes.
if people have any feedback or something, they can follow us on queensdead.film podcast and share your feedback. You can follow us on Spotify. It really helps us to reach out to more people. You can follow Sanket on his Instagram and YouTube channel at Cinephile Sanket. Links will be in the description. You can follow Dhruv at his Instagram page at Terminal Cinema. You can follow Amartya at Amartya25, where he keeps posting reviews. You can follow me at Pixel_Baba. Thank you so much for listening. Please support us. This is the end of the episode. Khatam.